What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or night, depending on where you're at, but I hope it's awesome. And yes, we are back at it tonight. Obviously, some crazy stuff has happened in the market. So crazy that there's absolutely no sign as to when this is going to stop because the bleeding has hit. We can see now, I guess maybe now this last hour, we're starting to see a little bit of a comeback, but a lot of altcoins are losing their liquidity to the likes of Melania and Trump token that came out here. A lot of people are selling their positions to buy into this. You can see the amount of billions of dollars that are coming into both the Melania and the Trump token. It's quite impressive, to be honest with you. And what's even crazier is we're seeing massive amounts of falls from our bags, Hedera, XLM, XRP. And all I can say to you is that this is just a golden opportunity. We've been talking about this on the channel for well over, I don't know, maybe 7 days now, where I said there was hopefully going to be a healthy dip before we go into inauguration day. At least that's what I wanted. Again, maybe I was being a little selfish with that, but I like that there's actually a dip before tomorrow. I think that actually sets us up for a little bit better. I'm hoping for maybe even a deeper dip in the market. I don't know if we're going to have that. We're already starting to see some of the pullback right now. But a lot of our stuff hit right in the buy zones on the Fibonacci charts. So we'll definitely go through that today. We'll definitely talk about the Trump and where that's at and where the market's at. But a lot of people are upset. I'm actually kind of blown away by how many people are upset about the Melania token launching. A lot of people are pissed off. A lot of people don't know why that happened. So we'll definitely talk about that. And I just want to say what's up to everyone here in the chat. Appreciate you guys all being here today. We got Tall Paul, Billion Right, Warsaw. What's going on, man? Tokilla in the house here. Tall Paul. I said Tall Paul. Inca San. Hey, Dick, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team right off the bat, dude. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're now officially part of the channel. We got Papa Don in the house here. Viking Cat. What's up, buddy? Les Noto. Good to see you guys. Good to see you. Appreciate you guys all being here today. Yeah, we're gonna do 2 streams. We're gonna be streaming tomorrow at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're gonna be jumping on stream and we'll be on pretty much for the entire day of inauguration at least. So Kenny G, good to see you. Jacob Brown, what's up, man? Highway Nikki's in the house. Jay Vale, good to see you. Yeah, alts are definitely declining right now. We can actually take a look at this right now. You can see over here, we're actually starting to come back here in the last hour, which is good. But over the last 24 hours, I mean, we've seen some pretty big declines with Dogecoin down 11%, Cardano down 11%, Avalanche down 11%. Everything's down pretty much 10 to 11%. Hedera, it's come back here. It's already 3.6% up on the hour. As you can see right here, this thing was dipping down pretty hot there for a minute. I was hoping it was going to get down to the 31 marker. I'm kind of holding off till the 31. I think that's where I set my limit by. If I miss it, I miss it. But I mean, we're gonna continue to ride this out. Stellar, I'm sitting down here about the 42 marker for that one. And then right here at XRP, again, I'm monitoring XRP. I was hoping this was going to get down to the 250. I know I'm being very, very unrealistic with that one, but I'm holding on strong to 225. I'll tell you that right now. You guys can all laugh at me, but that 225, I'm holding strong, dang it. We'll see what happens, but I don't know if it's going to go that low. It's just more of a fun thing to say now within the A-Team. So yeah, what's up, Seiko Hunt? Good to see you, man. Best community. Hell yeah, bro. Appreciate you being here as always. Yeah, like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Hey, Austin, I just renewed my membership. It said it go through the 21st. Oh, sweet, dude. That's awesome, Tony. Appreciate you renewing that. We got Tokilla in the house here. Hey, Killowell here. To Linda made me do it. Love you, dude. Let's buy this dip and launch tomorrow. Hell yeah, bro. Appreciate the $5 donation, man. Thank you so much, Tokilla, and the $5 launch tomorrow will be good. We'll have a good day tomorrow, I think. We'll see what's in the market here. I mean, right now there's a lot of things running through here. As you guys know, Trump did release the Melania token here. He retweeted this, which again she posted on here. And this thing is absolutely killing it. This thing, I first heard about this, it was $1.50. Then this thing went up to 250. It came back down. There was a bunch of, we can actually go look at the 30-minute chart on here. You can see there was a lot of manipulation earlier on in the process here, but this thing has gone absolutely insane. It's gone crazy. And, even the Trump token, a lot of money got left on the table here. You can see there was roughly about I think there was like $35 billion that got taken out of here between the 73 up here all the way down to the 36, but it's climbed its way back up. And again, I think a lot of what this has to do, again, to be positive on this, a lot of what this is that we know that when these things pump in terms of meme coins, there is going to be a sell-off on these. It's a matter of how resilient this is. And so a lot of people were leaving to go to the Melania token, which again, don't get me wrong, this one's doing really good, 19,000% up from when it launched down here at I think it was like 6 cents or something like that, or 2 cents, I can't remember. So this thing's been doing really, really well. It's sitting out here at a $2.63 billion market cap. But all people are doing is just selling their positions to jump over here, maybe taking some losses, trying to get some gains over here. Again, you got bots you're going to have to battle out here. You got sell-offs you're going to have to battle out here. You got slippage you're going to be fighting for. The Solana network is absolutely horrible. Again, I think Solana has proven to why, like, I always held Solana at a lower end of the blockchains because of how slow and it's just a clunky blockchain. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you guys. Even Coinbase is. I'm seeing a bunch of people complaining about Coinbase and trying to transfer their tokens over to the Solana network so they could buy. It's just not built. I thought this whole bear market they were going to be building to make it better for Solana, and they haven't fixed a single thing from the previous bull run, which is crazy to me, right? You think that they would have spent a lot more time and energy building up these issues that the Solana network has always been plagued with, and it's playing out in front of us right now. So again, a lot of people are frustrated with that. I know that. Even trying to sell their bags, it's an issue. So it's unfortunate, but I know people are sort of disappointed with it. But I think this is still the plan for Trump. I mean, Trump is playing 4D chess. We all know that. And I think this is just another one of the ploys out here. This is still bringing a lot of people in here. A lot of people are making money off this. And again, I know some people are upset. Some people have a right to be upset about it. But nonetheless, this is bringing a lot of attention to crypto. There's a lot of new people that are going to jump in over this, regardless of how some people feel. So just realize that there's obviously something here. And then if you go through and you look at what the family is tweeting, what the family is saying for tomorrow, it just makes your eyes open up as to what's going to happen tomorrow. I mean, and we'll go through that more of that today, tonight. It's pretty crazy how the whole thing's going through. What's up, Bobby? Good to see you, man. I got in H bar at a decent level. Yeah, dude. I mean, if you think H bar is going to go up, I mean, it's sitting here almost back to 3.4. This thing has dipped back down into for H bar here. You can see it dip back down here into the buy zone at 31. This just happened a little over an hour ago. You can see right here, the dip down here into the 31 again, 31.9, and it's bounced all the way back up again. I mean, we're talking roughly what, almost a 6% gain in an hour. XRP dipped all the way down into a buy zone again, into a buy zone 4 hours ago. It dipped into a buy zone here at 282. If you guys didn't know. So anyone that put their markers on 285 or anything in here, like I said, anything below 382, anything in this green zone is a good buy. So right now, this is technically a good buy. So if you did buy this dip, you're up roughly 9% right now. So although it looks like it's down, this thing is actually coming back pretty strong. So good. It's a good retracement. Like I said, anything in the green here is looking good. We've been saying that for a while. XLM, also another really, really good position. We're waiting for XLM to dip down. Again, my purchase order was sitting down here I'm trying to get to the 40 again. You guys know I'm being aggressive with this. I'm trying to get to the 40. It dipped down to the 41. And again, hopefully it maybe dips back down tonight. I don't know. We'll see what happens, right? Maybe I'm being too aggressive, but that's kind of where I'm at with it. Same with H bar. I'm kind of waiting for this to come back down just a little bit more. Almost got into our golden pocket right here. I was so excited for it. It got back down to 3.1. That's my area right here is the 3.1. 3.1 exactly is where I'm at. And so I was hoping this was going to come down and tap it, but it didn't. So we'll see if maybe I have some more room to play tonight. But that's kind of where I'm at with my buy orders right now. We'll see what the day brings or the night brings. We still got some stuff on the table right now. You can look at the RSIs down here. Let me get the comments out of the way. You can see on the 1 hour, we're obviously down. Let's jump to the 12 hour. The 12 hour is showing that we're actually trending downward right now. This could bounce off just below the 50 and bounce back. Last time I did this, we actually went just a little bit below the 50 right here on November 13th and did a nice little bounce back, which we actually included some of the runs that we had up here. So it could do something like this right here. It's already lined up right there. You can see right at the 4.1, this thing actually dipped down to the 3.6 on the RSI. So this very well could play into that tomorrow. The day chart is working its way down. Again, last time I did it was same position. It came down, almost hit the 50 marker and bounced back. So we could be in the same scenario that we see here, which again was a nice little rally. If you could pull back, that's when we went on a nice little run before we had a pullback here. So again, we could have a nice little run tomorrow, but you can't anticipate that there most likely could be a pullback even after the run tomorrow. So if you miss the run, if you're putting an aggressive swing in and you miss whatever is going to happen tomorrow, realize that we do have more dips coming in this. Usually we have a run and we'll have another dip. History has shown us that. So don't be afraid or be upset that you might have missed this. If you're afraid of missing it and you want to find a good entry point, if you believe it's going to go up, then you should just, at that point, you should do what you think is best for you. And if that means buy. If that means not, then sit on the sidelines. It's really up to you on how you want to do your bags. Listening on my way home. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, tomorrow's stream is going to start at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, dude. So, yeah. Ike Diesel, what's up, bud? Did you pump Melania? I'm killing it. Yeah, a lot of people actually got in on that. I did not buy Melania. I stayed in Trump. And I actually had to move. I was going to move some money over from my exchange. I bought some Solana because I didn't want to move. I didn't want to move it from my ledger. So I ended up buying some to move it over. But Coinbase is super slow. I don't even think it's fully transferred yet. So I was trying to buy. This dip on Trump. I was trying to get in here on the 31 because I knew that the sell off was going to come, and I was like, you know what, dude, this is just pure manipulation. Usually what happens is they get everyone to sell. People then sell their positions and they come in and they swoop and they buy this back up. That's typically what happens here. And this is such a new crypto. We don't know what we don't know what's going to happen here. In all reality, we don't know what's going to happen. So, yeah, it was just like I was going to jump in and I was going to buy the dip of Trump and just stay pumping the Trump train for a meme coin. But yeah, I'm not going to be jumping all over the place. I'm not going to jump all over the place like they were doing with the Melania thing. Again, that's just not my style. So yeah, a lot of excitement this weekend. One thing I wanted to point out here is that you had Eric Trump out here say, "Wait until you see tomorrow." So if you guys don't know, Trump World Liberty just spent 20 million USDC to buy 6,041 ETH at 3,311. He said, "Just wait till tomorrow." So you can see right here that they did come in here. They're basically running a DAO. This is basically a DAO that they're running with the World Liberty Finance, and he just basically said, "Wait till tomorrow." And I was like, oh, damn, dude, they're coming in hot. Even Trump Jr. came out here and said, we're extremely proud of what we continue to accomplish in the crypto. Trump is currently the hottest digital meme on earth. And I truly believe that World Liberty will revolutionize DeFi. I hate that word revolutionize. And it'll be the future of finance. And I hate that people say it's the future of finance. I will say I hate hearing that. That's like the revolutionize and future of finance are two scammy words you never want to hear. I will say that 100%. Future of finance and revolutionize. If any place out there says that, you should just exit your positions immediately. But I will give it to Donald Trump. They've actually proven that they have some legitimacy, but still it's kind of like, I hate those words, but here we are. And it says it might be the hottest if it can't be sold or bought because the entire blockchain's down. Dude, the comments down below are pretty funny. There's a lot of people out here roasting them. But hey, I think that they're onto something here. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I don't know. Are they going to come in and like ape into the positions? I have no idea, dude. Nightmare, $2. Thank you so much for the donation, man. This is for food, not for coffee. Eat up, brother. I got my coffee today, dude. I'm ready to rock and roll. You guys all said I was too tired this morning, so I'm coming in hot tonight, dude. And I'm going to get some good sleep tonight because tomorrow we're going to be on here pretty much all day streaming. I'll be streaming all day, and maybe I'll just eat on stream too while we're at it, okay? Where I lost all my money on Trump. Damn, bro. You gotta be careful. You can't just ape into these things. Meme coins are the death of a lot of people in crypto, dude. I got dumped on bad. Yeah, a lot of people did. A lot of people got liquidated, man. A lot of people I follow got liquidated putting in longs on these things. So I threw away $100 in fees on Jupiter because of Solana messing up. Yeah, you got to be careful of what happens is they put these price have price impacts on here, and then you have to put slippage, and they'll put and Jupiter and Radium, they automatically, if you don't put auto on there, they'll just increase your slippage. So you could be paying like 20-30% slippage and you lose a shit ton of your dollars, right? So you think you're buying it at 12, but you're really buying it at like $18, or something like that. The slippage will eat you up, guys, especially if you haven't done it before. So just be careful out there because this stuff is real. This is really, really an unforgiving space. I promise you that. But Melania is coming down. I think a lot of money is actually leaving that and coming back into established cryptos here, which is what we want to see, right? We want to see a lot of money. We're leaving the alts to go into buy these meme coins that came out here. A lot of people were selling their positions, which is why we're seeing this massive downturn in the last 24 hours, right? Cardano down 11%, Avalon down 11%, Stellar down 10%. I mean, Stellar is like, how are people selling their positions? But they're putting it over into the Trump token and the Melania token. But now people are probably taking some profits now, and they're going to move right back over into these for maybe tomorrow, things like that. So that's kind of the cycle of how this goes. Again, we're going to have to continue to monitor this for the next hour or two to see if there's any stability with this. And I'm going to be honest with you, it's kind of like, this is chaos. This is chaos. No one would have expected that the leader of the free world tomorrow, who's getting, is going to raise his hand and become the 47th president of the United States, is out here dropping 2 memes in less than 36 hours. Like, that is freaking wild. No one would have thought that. So he completely threw chaos into the wind, and it's circulating the crypto space right now. So have an exit plan, kids. They're a little bit sketchy on the exchanges. Yeah, be careful out there. Core, what's up, buddy? Good to see Core in the house here. Nervous about what? What is your buy order for XRP? My buy order for XRP is Honestly, my buy order is 225. 225 and 250. 250 and 225 are my buy orders. You know, you got to think XRP is my largest bag. So if it hits down here, I'm satisfied, right? 100%. H bar, again, this one is so close to hitting my 31. So again, if I don't hit my XRP bag, that's fine. I already have a large bag, and the swing, that means that the swing trade wasn't there for me. Like it just didn't come to fruition, right? I want it to come down here. I want it to be good enough. I want it to be juicy enough for me down here at the 255, $2.55 is where I put the line right here, and then my next one's down here at the 225. So I kept that just in case maybe something happens. And then my H bar, like I said, I should probably put a line in here. It's 31 is my buy for H bar. Almost got there, dude. I thought we were going to hit it, dude. It's 31.7 and it was 31.6. I was actually at the grocery store. And this thing was coming down right here again. And I was like, oh crap, dude, we could get it, dude. We could get it. And I didn't hit my 31. So again, if I miss it, I missed it. It's okay. But that's kind of my aggressive approach to H bar. XLM, again, you can see right here is my 40. I'm at a 40-cent buy for XLM. That's been there for a long time, which is where we bought right here. It could be maybe too aggressive. I don't know. We'll see how it plays out. But that's kind of where I kept my buy orders. If I miss it, I miss it. Like I'm not upset. I have long-term bags. I don't care about the swing trade, right? I only care about where this goes in the future. If I miss the swing trade because I'm too aggressive, I miss the swing trade because I'm too aggressive. It's okay. We'll find there'll be other dips where we can actually find and be able to day trade on. But I'm really trying to soak in this big dip here. It's kind of what I've been waiting for. You guys all know that. I've been speaking the truth with you guys on where my positions are on this. And I guess I've been a little bit more bearish on hoping that we had a correction going into tomorrow versus this pump. So I feel we needed this. And I would be okay if we actually came down to these levels tonight. I don't know if we will. We got a lot of we got Europe waking up, we got Asia waking up. We got a lot of these people out there, you know, they're going to come buy up these positions. So I don't know how much of this will actually get liquidated through the night. Usually right around 12 o'clock, we seem to have some kind of event, which again is right here around the corner. So we'll see what's going to happen. We know the next 12 hours, not until tomorrow morning, right around 4 a.m. We'll see that. We will see a 4 o'clock one here at midnight. We'll see that where this goes here. We won't actually see a new one until right around 10 o'clock. So we'll have a new candle here at 10 o'clock, which again will tell us a lot about our positioning here. So anyone think 350 XRP tomorrow? That'd be fantastic. I'm not going to lie. That'd be awesome, dude. Bro, I bought Trump and got dumped on bad. I'm sorry, dude. That sucks, dude. I mean, like, it's a meme coin, bro. Like, it's so, like I said, I don't talk about a lot of memes because a lot of memes can really hurt some people. You can make a lot of money, but you can lose a lot of money as well. So, y'all stay in the real shit. Yeah, definitely. I mean, Crypto King, I'm with you, dude. Like I said, I think you should have been, when everyone else is leaving here. I mean, we should have been focusing. A lot of people should have been focusing on the real stuff out here. 100%. I was saying that in my Discord, like, hey, dude, just look at the prices of the real stuff out here, and go from there. Honestly, I wouldn't buy any kind of Trump coin because the psycho Dems will target it. That's true. IMJ, you're actually probably right, and that's why I think a lot of the Dems, I mean, the Democrats will probably, I mean, they don't want the markets to do good tomorrow. We'll probably have some craziness happen tomorrow. You know, that's what I'm kind of afraid of. I'm kind of afraid of, you know, they don't want things to look good, right? They don't want the Trump effect to really take full-fledged. The market's a joke. It kind of feels that way sometimes, right? Let's see if I can catch up to you guys. I'm a little bit behind here. I hate scamming liars. Yeah, I just hate what it's doing to the crypto and new investors. Yeah, you know, it definitely corrupt things on. Austin's on subscriber mode. Yeah, I put subscriber mode on. Inauguration is tomorrow, dude. We'll be up here at 7 a.m. Thanks so much, Morget. What is that? Morgvet Vlogs. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Trump has one more token coming on ETH. That's kind of what I'm assuming here with these tweets right here is that there's probably going to be a ETH token that's going to be launching. You can see right here, there's basically President of the United States, Trump, just bought another 16 million worth of ETH. In total, he has bought roughly 42 million over the last 8 hours. Something big is coming to ETH. I think so too. I think all these blockchains are going to get pumped. I think even XRP is going to get pumped. I don't know how. I don't know when. I don't know what's going to happen. But I think a lot of these blockchains, which we were talking about earlier this morning, are going to do very, very well. Again, own the blockchains. Don't necessarily try to get in on any of the meme coins. Just like go hold ETH. Go hold XRP. Go hold Cardano. You know what I mean? These other ones where these potential things can happen. Again, I don't know if Cardano would be one, but I definitely think XRP could. You never know. And it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. You know what I mean? We'll see a bunch back real soon. Yeah. What's the average fees for buying and selling on exchanges? I think I just put a sell order in, or I put a buy order in for HBAR. I put a $30,000 buy order in for HBAR, and I think it was like $72, which really isn't that bad, right? 70. I think it was $72. So on there, and plus I get 50% of that back, so I get roughly like 35% back. So it's like roughly $35. I get $35 back in USDC on that for a reward. So really, it's like I'm only paying like $35 for the fee on a $30,000 buy-in on HBAR on a swing. Get rich off XRP when Trump coin is the future. Yeah, 10% of the people on the stream have hit the like button. Damn. Thank you. I appreciate that, Adam. All in Christ, thanks so much for the $5. I believe with Trump holding 80%, he may announce that the meme coin will be the biggest of utilities, perhaps finance that pays off the national debt. That was my theory, all in Christ. I said that on a stream earlier today. Someone was streaming, and I went in there, and they were talking about it, and I basically said the same thing. I said, he said he wanted to pay off some national debt with crypto. I mean, shoot, just go launch a bunch of memes, and next thing you know, it builds it up to where we can pay off the national debt. I mean, you got to get to trillions, right? We're in billions right now, but I mean, hey, shit, you launch enough, you might actually get to a trillion. So, yeah, thanks so much for the $5. I actually couldn't agree with you more. That's kind of my conspiracy theory with it too, man. Let's just build these things up and pay off the national debt while we're at it, dude. So that's funny, dude. Crypto Dreams, thanks so much for the $2. Been buying XCN and XRP today. Let's go, buddy. Thanks so much for the $2, man. Appreciate that a ton. And the haters on Trump officially obviously missed out. I listened to Austin yesterday and made a fortune. Just another meme. So relax. Yeah, Corey, that's awesome. A lot of us do, right? We bought it at $12. Here we're still sitting up. I mean, dude, I mean, we're still sitting up at where is it right now? $42, right? So I bought it at $30 and I bought it at $12. And yeah, I mean, I'm still up on this, dude. So I'm not even sweating it at all. I think I'm up like over, roughly over almost $1,000. So it's like, I didn't put too much in. I didn't risk a lot, but I did enough just to be happy with it. And I'm happy with it, dude. I'll be honest with you. So yeah. And if you made a fortune off of it, dude, I'm super excited for you guys. I don't know enough about NSDN Nasty Dasty. I should probably spend some time with it. I just haven't had time to like really dig in on it. But I mean, it's obviously on Coinbase. People like it. So I think, again, XCN probably going to do decent. I don't know enough about it to like really make an established, decision on it. And I don't want to I'm not going to like fade it or anything like that. I just don't know enough. And so my focus has been so much on XRP, Hedera, XLM, Chainlink, all those to swing trade that I haven't spent a lot of other time with all the other ones. I've looked at them, but like I don't spend time like staring at them. That's the thing. And so, yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with it. But again, nothing against it. I think it's probably everyone seems to like it and they're making a ton of money off it. So, dude, I'm happy for everyone. You want to hit the like button, but never answer anyone's question that is not donating money. It's pretty rude. I try to get through a lot of questions, Michael. I'm going to be honest with you, bud. I try to get through there's a lot of questions coming in here, and sometimes I just do not get them, dude. So sorry, man. I try hard. Let's see. Are you holding HBAR till the end of time? You probably. Yeah, Andrew. I am. Waiting on Stellar to dip just a little more to buy, and we'll not mad at any memes. Yeah, Stellar dipping will be nice, dude. I was saying that Stellar would be really, really nice. This is a really good buy right here at 41, dude. I was hoping we were going to get down here to 40. I thought we were on the way, dude. I was like, oh my gosh, dude, Stellar is going to be a good buy. And if I miss this by roughly, I think it's like 5%, not even that, 3%, I'll be so sad. I'll be so sad if I miss Stellar by 3% on my buy order, dude. I will be. And right now it's not looking very good. It's not looking like it's going to come back around. So I might have missed the opportunity. We'll see. I'm going to keep it there. That's roughly about another 9% dip. I was telling myself like, dude, this actually has an opportunity. Maybe it's going to come back down, and it just didn't pull the trigger. So yeah, if I miss it by 3%, I'll be a little disappointed, but it's okay. That's why you held long-term bags, and you just be excited about what the future holds for your long-term bag. Billion, right? Thanks so much for the $2, man. 1.5K people like the stream. Am I that far behind? Because right now I looking like I'm have like 2,315, so I'm that far behind on the stream. Austin, what do you think about HBAR? Dude, HBAR short term I think is good. I think HBAR is good overall, dude. Things aren't looking good, Oz. All the stock markets are up 35 to 40% since 2020. Everything looks good. Trump just can't fumble the bag. I know. Austin, what's good? Augustine, what's up, man? What's up, man? I still feel bullish on AI, crypto, and gaming. Yeah, you should. Let's see here. If you say you lost money on Trump coin, I think, yeah, there's a lot of people that probably lost. I mean, they're probably doing, I mean, the people that lost on some of the people that I know on X and things like that, they lost because of leverage trading, not necessarily because of just buying in on spot trading. They lost because of leverage. You know, they went out there and put a 10, 20, 30x on there, and they got, when that liquidation event happened, they got fully liquidated. So, again, that's what happens when you go out and the leverage trade this stuff. It's super volatile. So you got to be super careful with that kind of stuff, especially if you're new to the space. It looks good, but sometimes it just comes back and bites you. You think Trump is a hold from here? I mean, I'm holding it, dude. I'm just going to, why not, dude? What, I mean, and if it goes down, it goes down. I'm not even going to sweat it, dude. I'm doing it for the fun. I'm doing it for the culture. I'm doing it for the culture, dude. That's really what it comes down to. Nothing more than that. I'm doing it just because. So, Trump coin stuck at 47. I'm okay with that. I know you don't like Doge, but man, I like Doge, Justin. I think Doge are going to do great. I've always said that I hope Doge gets to $1, bro. And I mean, it was down roughly 10%. It's climbing back just a little bit right now. But yeah, no, I like Doge, bro. I think Doge is good, man. Again, you got Elon in your corner. You can't ask for anything worse than that. Thoughts on crypto being a part of treasuries or a way to get us out of debt? That's kind of what I was thinking, Rune Nation. Like the live, we got 2,000 people and a couple hundred likes. I appreciate that. Did we get Black Swan? No, we didn't get Black Swan at all, dude. Westby Plain, thanks so much for the $10 donation to the channel, man. Appreciate you, dude. As always, I love your thumbnail there. Appreciate that, man. You think he's gonna pay off the debt? Nah, he's not. He's not, Adam. I'm just saying, like, you never know, right? You never know what can happen. You think Trump's a hold? Yeah, I'm holding it. Annette, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. And yeah, thank you so much. Maybe he'll buy Greenland with it. The scenario's coming out here. No, but really what I think happened is, I think that they're creating an ecosystem for their meme coins. Obviously that's what it is. You got Trump coming out, you got Melania coming out. They're probably going to drop a couple others. And maybe it's going to be on ETH. Maybe it's going to be on, XRP. That'd be great, right? If it got on XRP or maybe even Dare, who knows? But I think what they're trying to do is really, bring liquidity to the different blockchains that are out there. We'll see what happens. I think, again, meme coins continue to rule the blockchains. Like, I've been saying this for years. Like, own the blockchains. Do not worry about the memes. You could buy the memes for fun, but go own the blockchains. Go own Ethereum, go own Solana, go own Ripple or XRP. Go own Sui. Those are the ones where these things are launching on. And I've always said that, dude. The memes will continue to rule the space, and Trump has proven that. They're not going anywhere. The SEC is not going to go after meme coins. Trump just proved that. Trump's administration is not going after meme coins. So this is probably just going to fuel even more meme coin season. And when meme coin season hits, it's going to be a wild ride. So memes are going to actually continue to run and fuel these blockchains. I say it so much, and it's so true. And you see it right now with Solana. Solana hit all-time highs because of this meme coin, because of one meme coin. So all it takes is one meme coin to really rally and pump up the charts on a lot of things. So, buddy, thank you so much for the $2, dude. Trump memes done caused me to drink on Sunday. Oh, dude, don't drink too much. That's crazy. Yeah, you're good though, bro. I appreciate the donation. Hopefully, you don't drink too much. So you're here tomorrow morning. You think Trump is a hold? This dude is busy. Yeah, appreciate you guys. Did you ever cash out, Oz? Yeah, no, I cash out. I cash out all the time, Josie. I say when I'm going to cash out. I tell you guys, I do a trailing stop loss to it because I like to trail it. That's just my style, and that's kind of what I do. So yeah, I tell them all the time that I'm going to move it up. I'm going to take a 6% gain or a 5% gain or whatever it is. Today we had H-bar, dude. We entered H-bar this morning on stream, or this morning I bought it it was 4 a.m. It came on here this morning at 4 a.m. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here. You can see right here, we bought this at 4 a.m. It dipped actually down here to the 32. And I had it set right here at the 32.8 marker. It dipped down below, and then it came back up, and we rode this up, and I think I took it rode up to almost set 9%, 10%, and I ended up taking 650 off the top. So, I let it come down a little bit, hoping that it was going to continue, but I ended up taking like 650 off that. So, wasn't the biggest return, but I mean, it was still a good return. And then I was waiting for this to come back down. And like I said, I actually put a really strong one in here. I was hoping it was going to get back to the 31 marker, 31 exactly, and it just didn't get there. So, we'll see what happens. I was being a little aggressive with that. Trump coin stuck at 47. Yeah, it is. Matthew Hoffman, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Could you show us how to buy a meme coin on Ethereum, hypothetically, since it won't go straight to a major exchange? Yeah. I mean, I can show you that real quick if anyone wants to see. So really what you're going to do is just go over here. You're going to basically go to the Ethereum network and say that like the token pops up. We'll just say like right now you can see like MAGA is huge, right? MAGA is like the #1 over here. So like say that like they launch and it becomes Trump token over here. So you'll click this. You'll click this right here and you'll go to the view contract. It says view contract right here. You'll click on this. It's going to open you up into here and you're going to have a token address right here. It's going to say address. You're going to click copy address. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here into your non-custodial wallet right here. So I got $468 in Ethereum. So what I would do then is I see where that's at. I'm going to go to Uniswap. I'm going to type in uniswap.org. Uniswap.org right there. It's going to pop me open into this area where it says select token. You got to make sure your wallet's connected, which my wallet's already connected, and you can click on this and make sure it's connected, right? So let's go back. Oops, let's go back to trade. And then you're going to go up here. You're going to swap these around because you want to, or you're going to say ETH, and you're going to come down here and you're going to copy this address into here. And there, it's right there. It pops up. Boom. You say, yeah, okay, continue. And then you're going to say max. I'm going to do a max buy of 420. And then you say review. It's going to cost $30 in gas, which is again why the Ethereum network sucks butt, because it's $30. And so you're going to pay that plus your slippage. So you're probably going to have to come in here and you're going to have to adjust. But if you're new, you should probably just do auto. If not, you have to probably come in here and do like it could be anywhere from like a 5 to it could be even a 9%. Sometimes you have to do like sometimes you have to do like a 3, 3.01. You could do a lot. You can mess around with it a lot. So just mess around with that, and then you push review. It comes up, and then you'll push buy, and then it will pen, and then it will show up in your wallet right here. So that's the quick version of how you buy it, dude. And it's actually pretty simple. So I know I went really fast right there, but you can go back and slow it down if you like. I tried to buy Melania, and all my money disappeared in the app. Yeah, dude, you got to be careful of that stuff, dude. You probably got your price impacts are crazy. So one thing you got to be really, really careful of when you buy these things, like let's just go to the SafePal wallet right here. Shoot, what's my password? I don't even know what I did for my password the other day. What did I do for my password? There it is. Boom, got it. So what you want to do when you go into these dApps right here, there's dApps. You go to Radium right here. What happens is that if you're trying to buy Trump right here, you do this slippage right here will go up. And then what happens is they auto adjust your slippage. So sometimes you're paying like 50% in slippage. You got to be really careful about your slippage right here. Slippage is really your tolerance right here. And so what happens is it's a price impact between where the price is that you're buying it versus where the price is at. So if someone buys before you and the price goes up, you're going to pay a fee between those. Or if there's a sell, you're going to pay a price impact on that on top. And that's what the slippage is. It allows you to give you a gap between where you buy it and where the other price was. And so sometimes you can get totally sniped on that. Trust me, dude, there's bots out here that will snipe your purchase. They eat up your slippage. That's the whole point of slippage. And it kind of sucks, to be honest with you. It actually really sucks. So you got to just be really, really careful with it. Merc, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Can I still get in Trump at $1.76 for tomorrow? I don't think it's going to be $1.76 for tomorrow. I mean, that'd be crazy if Trump goes down to $1.76. I mean, if it does, dude, that'd be fantastic. Baron Coin launches tomorrow. That'd be crazy, Josh. I don't know if it does or not. I put 30x leverage and got wrecked. Damn, Pablo. See, that's how it happened, Pablo. Now the leverage is what gets you screwed, dude. Crypto Dreams, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Looks like you need to do a technical on XCN. I'll probably have to, bro. I appreciate the $2, and I'll probably definitely have to do that. Am I the one that noticed that Trump's grandkids recited the Pledge of Allegiance perfectly when Kamala got? No. I literally cashed out Trump at $74, dude. That's fantastic, bro. You got a good deal, dude. Some people, only one person sells the top. You know what I mean? So you might have been that person. people's lives got wrecked tonight, and I'm just thankful I'm not that big number. Yeah, you're right, dude. Some people, got over leveraged and got really, really hurt. I would agree with that. These things are not for the, like I've always tell you guys, these things are not for the, this space is this space is tough, dude. And it's a really hard space to be in, and it's because of things like this. I mean, we're talking roughly what? I'm at the 51% decrease, dude. 58%, dude. That's a 58% liquidation in the market. That is very meme like. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, that's very, very meme like. I think if you're gonna be hold only one meme coin, it should be Doge. Doge has some use case, right? You can mine it, you can do a lot of things with it. Whereas a lot of these others, they don't even have that. So remember, there was a big dip the days leading up to the election. Chill, relax, and don't panic sell your DCA game. Yeah. DCA if you have to. If you bought today and it goes down tomorrow, say it goes down 10% tomorrow because of whatever in the news or who knows what. Just relax. Be able to buy it, and hopefully you can DCA your way into a position and be off to the races after that. Luna was rough. Jasmine, I think, could be a minus 300 for Japan. Yeah, Jazz. I don't. Jasmine's down. I mean, Jasmine's actually doing okay right now. You made your entry back country. Okay. Who got scared and sold? Yeah. I used to own XRP. Oh, you don't own a Viking? I thought you owned it, bro. Thought you held it. Maybe not. Damn, I need some Trump coin. Austin has a long-term bag and his separate short-term bags. Yeah, I kind of play with two bags, dude. And like I said, I put aggressive swings in. I'm putting aggressive swings in right now because I just feel like we can maybe get a little aggressive with it. And again, I could have missed it a little bit here, but we'll see. It's starting to climb back really nicely right now. We're starting to see the charts come back up to 336. We're starting to see XRP go back up to 309. That's really nice to see right there. That's a nice little candle on the 4-hour right there. I mean, really nice 4-hour candle. We'll see if we can sustain it. The 4 hours aren't working on its way up right now. 12 hours working its way down. We won't know the 12-hour until about 10 o'clock. Till about, let's see here. So we actually move over to the new day around 4 a.m. So that's 12-hour, puts us about 4 a.m. Okay, dang, I didn't know that. So yeah, the 4-hour is going to come up. We'll see what the 4-hour can do here. See if we can work our way back up. Price prediction for tomorrow. I think, again, if all goes well, I think we could break out of this if we go all goes well. History has shown that we actually go a little bit in the red. 2016 was the only one where we actually came up. 2021, we actually went sideways and went into the red before we had a breakout. So I think the price prediction, I'm hoping if all goes well, we're back up to the 40-cent mark. If not, then we're sitting here waiting for it to go through. So, that's kind of where I'm hoping at. And you got to prepare for both. I think I showed this morning on the stream that there's always an opportunity for this to continue downward. We saw that. We saw what history has shown us. So we could look at it again if you guys like. Austin, Trump is divorcing Melania. He told, "How dare you launch your coin?" No way, dude. They're playing some 4D chess right now. We just don't know it. We're just hanging on. That's all we're doing. We're just hanging on and hoping for the best. That's what we're doing. Just proves XRP and Hbar tier coins will become institutional grade. I think so too, Sam. I think they're going to do really well. I'm afraid to buy on any Solana meme coins. Yeah, Solana's a little rough, dude. I will admit, Solana, Sol can't handle the chat. Sol can't, dude. That's what I was saying earlier. Solana, I thought Solana was going to do a lot better this bear market. We ran into the same issues last year or last bull run with Solana. Solana had so many network shuts down and so much congestion that you couldn't, even when NFTs came through, you couldn't do anything. Same with Ethereum. Ethereum proved that it was just as bad there too. So maybe a new blockchain like a Sui comes out here and is able to withstand all this. I don't know. But we know that Solana and Ethereum can't hack the congestion. It gets really, really bad. And it hurts more people than they realize, right? And I don't know if they care. But the congestion and all that kind of stuff actually hurts the investors more than they think. Looking forward to tomorrow. Yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow too, dude. I avoid ETH network best I can. Me too. I'm not. I own ETH is my second largest bag. I just don't buy things on Ethereum. You know what I mean? I just don't buy things on the Ethereum network because they're just too expensive. So giving crypto a bad name today. Yeah. Well, Solana has kind of, I mean, Solana is the meme coin blockchain. So buying max on Uniswap is not very good advice. As the person could have remaining Ethan wallet, they should do 90%. Buying max on Uniswap. What are you talking about, Aaron? Buying max? Oh yeah. I mean, I don't think you should put max on your bets on your thing. I mean, I would kind of Austin, if we're going towards more of a crypto friendly situation and we have to make that process easier for people, I can't imagine. Yeah, it's a pretty hard thing to go through if you've never been on the decentralized side. So yeah, XRP looking pretty good again. Hopefully we can keep going. Oscar, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you, and welcome, my friend. You wait 2 hours to get Solana in your cold wallet, and then you have to wait 2 hours to see it appear in your wallet. Yeah, that's kind of how it is, bro. That is kind of how it is right now. Shit, Trump just dropped to 167. If I drop it, I'd hop in. Yeah, dude, I would too. Thank you, Mr. Big Shots. No problem, dude. Presidential rug pull is an honor. Hopefully, you don't get dust in your wallet now. Sticking at 47. Why is it sticking at 47? Is that Uncle Buck? Is that what you're asking me? Why is it sticking at 47? Well, it's not really sticking at 47. It's stuck at 40. I mean, it sat here at 40. It's been popping around a little bit. Put a 15-minute here if you want. I mean, it's not really stuck at 47. I mean, it's coming down now at 44. So, what's the DCA, Nick? DCA, dollar cost average. So you know if you bought a little high, you can dollar cost average your way. I mean, you buy when it's at a lower price and you average your prices out. Always taking long on at 101. What should I do? Hold or close? I mean, Bitcoin's climbing back up above the 101. So, it's looking like it's coming back up. It left a nice little fair value gap here on the 4 hour, right here at this. It's crazy that this actually dipped down back to the 99, which almost went back into a buy zone for that of Bitcoin. So it's kind of cool to see that. But it definitely left a nice little gap up here. Maybe it's already starting to fill it a little bit. So this is the back test of resistance. A lot of coins just broke out of the other day. Yeah, JCR, I'm kind of with you on that one. Can you talk more about what is best for XRP, what to purchase? Yeah, I mean, right now, I mean, we can see right now with XRP, the one thing with XRP is it's always been in a sell. This is a sell zone on the fib. So, like, you got to kind of wait. Like I said earlier today, this dropped down to 283. When it drops into this green area between the 382, the 0.5, and the 618 right here, this is actually according to Fibonacci, this is like a green area. You buy in these areas for retracements. This obviously retraced it, broke through the 382. People bought it at the 283. So people probably put an order in right here at like 286, 285. They probably put this order in, which bounced it back up to where we're at right now. So yeah, I mean, XRP people were buying at that level right now. So we'll see how that works out for people. But it's already up. If you bought that price right now on a swing trade, say you bought in right here, and we're looking like it's up here right now. I mean, you're already at an 8% gain. I mean, people are going to take profits on that. Some people are going to actually probably already took profits and walking away, right? I mean, you put 10K in there, goes up to 8%, you're making $800, you're walking away. Coinbase and transferring to Solana Network has been holding my funds for 4 hours. Yeah, I think a lot of people there's a lot of people out here complaining about it. If you actually go to, I actually think Coinbase, I think Brian Armstrong actually came out and said something about it. Let's go to Brian Armstrong. Brian Armstrong actually came out and talked about this today, where he replied to someone. Yeah, right here. Done using Coinbase until with the issues with Solana times are fixed. Team is working hard and scaling our Solana infrastructure. Now, lots of Solana activity last few days. We're not anticipating this level of surge. And it says, if you're still using Coinbase as a Solana person, you are either lazy or stupid. This is embarrassing. No other exchange has this issue. I know how the Coinbase system works. I know how Ledger and the indexers work. This is beyond incompetence at this point. 13 incidents in 2 months. Stop using Coinbase Exchange. Stop using Coinbase Custody. Dude, he just goes in. He said, fund managers, DM me if you need help. And then he comes back in here. He basically said the same thing. He goes, thanks. I'm happy to help if you guys need a hand. But yeah, he came in here hot, dude, like just blasting them for it. And hey, dude, it is kind of lame, right? I mean, you have to wait 2 hours to get your Solana off of this. Like that's pretty wild, right? I mean, you shouldn't have this many issues. This stuff should have been hashed out over the bear market. This is the issues we've ran into last bull run. Same issues that Coinbase has with Solana and Solana has with everything else. It's the same shit. And here we are 4 years later talking about the same exact thing. And it's kind of like, how is that possible? You could do a tutorial on Discord sometime. Yeah, I could show you in Discord. Bro, I have taken a long BTC. I think I read that already. Yeah. I sold a few $100 of the Trump but Solana so slow. I haven't received my USDC. Dude, that's crazy, bro. That's kind of disappointing. Cardano is going to the top tier. Do you think dropping a coin like that is morally right? I mean, it's a meme coin, dude. I think a lot of people don't really understand the concept. The thing is with meme coins, dude, is that they're just a commodity. I mean, a lot of us view them as a commodity. Like they're just like a trading card. And you go out and you buy. Let's just say you go out and buy a football card or a baseball card. Sometimes you buy a pack of cards that have nothing in there. They're nothing. You might get one card that's worth $5, $10, $100. Every once in a blue moon. That's kind of how memes are, dude. Most of the cards in that pack are garbage. Meme coins, most of the meme coins that come out are garbage. You might get some valuable ones in there. Pepe, Shib, Doge. We can go down the list. I mean, Bonk's not bad. With Trump has proven. I mean, the Trump coin, is still ranked 19 right now. The Melania one's just kind of weird, right? I mean, I'm like, that's kind of crazy. I mean, they should have waited a couple weeks maybe for that or something like that. If I could have like advised them, that's probably what I would have told them, because it did shake up the whole what was going on with what was going for Trump. I mean, I will agree to that. The Trump coin was doing really, really well. Had a lot of momentum, had a lot of pull. Everyone was sort of jumping on, excited for it. And then he launched Melania not even 24 hours later. And here we are, right? A lot of money a lot of liquidity getting exited from Trump to be put into Melania. A lot of altcoins people are selling their positions in the altcoins to jump into Melania and Trump. So yeah, it caused pretty much a liquidation in the market. And whether that's intentional or not, I don't know. But that's the thing is that this is typically when you want to pay attention to the actual legitimate tokens out there, the legitimate tokens and coins that are out there versus just this meme coin. Everyone's focused on the meme coin, and you get all these people focusing on the meme coin, and they're going to come back and buy up what was liquidated in the market. So you got these legitimate investors over here that are now buying up positions to do swing trades over here. That's exactly what happened. It's full manipulation of the market. Everyone's viewing Trump and Melania. Everyone's talking about Trump and Melania. Bitcoin drops down to, let's just go back and look at Bitcoin again, dude. Bitcoin drops down because of all the exits in the market. It drops down to $99, right? A little less than $99. Now, since we've actually bought that out, and not only did it come back, it came back all the way up here. So they bought it down here and they sold up here. Where did it go to? I got my thing in the way now. I got to move this out of the way. Yeah, it came up to here. So, some people are already buying and selling this, dude. People are buying this at, billions, millions and millions of dollars. So a 2% gain for them is a lot of money. Same with that XRP. XRP is coming up hot right now. People were all focused on Melania and all that kind of stuff. They came in here, they bought it at 281, and now they're sitting on 10% gains. They're probably going to sell that and walk away. Everyone's, hey, look at the shiny object over here. I'm going to jump over here and we're going to buy this up. That's the manipulation in the market, dude. That's what's going on. And we saw that. It was very clear what we saw. And then now all the charts are getting bought up on this dip. Legitimate cryptos are getting bought up on the dip to then, people to enter their positions and most likely sell for tomorrow. Matthew Hoppin, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Thanks for showing examples. So that's only if it comes on ETH. It comes out on Solana. Do you have to buy Solana on MetaMask and then swap to Uniswap? No, you'll just send your, just come over here. That's why I like on SafePal. I like SafePal. I use SafePal for a lot. You could send your, you just go down here and you can actually send your Solana over here. So if like you bought it on like Coinbase or you bought it on any of these other exchanges, you could then send it over here. So you just click on here, you'll say receive, then you'll copy your address and then you'll put it into your exchange. It'll come over here on Solana. And again, you would come over to the dApps right here. You go to Radium and that's where you would do it over here, just like you would with ETH. So that's kind of how I would do it when it comes to Solana side. So yeah, thanks so much for the $5. Well, let's see here. Eric Trump posted on X about watching ETH. Yeah, ETH could do well. But the thing with ETH, though, major price impacts, major gas fees. You're going to be paying, like, if something takes off on Ethereum, you're going to spend anywhere from $200 to $300 to buy into that position. Trust me. When SHIB was going nuts, it was like a $300 to enter into just to buy the token. That was just in gas fees. That's one thing that really sucks when it comes to the Ethereum blockchain. Right now, gas is at 27, but this is going to get more expensive if something pops on here. Like say Trump does launch a token over here and people start to go buy it. This will go from 26 to probably 260, and you'll pay the gas, bro. Like if you want to jump in, you'll have to pay the gas. It's just part of the deal. Crypto is confusing as F for newbies and OGs. That's exactly why we need ETFs. So much easier. My dad invested in crypto. Yeah, ETFs are a legit place to go, right? You don't have to worry about being rug pulled. You don't have to worry about who's holding my wallet. You don't got to worry about exchanges, doing shady things like FTX did. I mean, there's someone holding the ETF, and there's someone actually, making the transaction. So there's a custodian between the two. Like, that's what you want. And the more we get towards that, the better it's going to be for a lot of people. How coins increase the value when the bull run just last 8 months? How coins increase the value? People just buying them, Tony. People just buying them continues to create continues to bring up the price. Yeah, arbitrage is big. Yeah, arbitrage in these exchanges is huge. Expect red day tomorrow, boys. The elites aren't going to let Trump and crypto win tomorrow. No way. Yeah, we'll see what happens, right? I mean, again, I think you should look at both sides of it. You should protect yourself, and at the same time, you could be excited for tomorrow, what tomorrow's going to bring. But let's look at the history here. Let's look at what Scottish crypto is saying here. Look at both sides. So let's actually pull back. I showed this yesterday in the charts. I'll show it again, or showed this morning in the charts. Let's look at it again today. Let's go to the day chart. Something just to watch out for, and it's mostly just again for you guys to be aware of, and just be, don't be too upset if this happens. Because again, you can't come into the chat tomorrow and be upset. If we go down tomorrow, you can't be upset tomorrow, because I will say I told you so. I don't ever say that to anyone, but if we do dip down tomorrow, I will say this was a likely thing that we talked about here, and it's something that you should at least be prepared. So last inauguration day, we came in, we boomed coming in, we sort of came down and trickled into this. Inauguration day came and we fell 20%. And it took about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days before we started to climb back out of it. 7 days before we started to climb back out of it, okay? So let's go to the next inauguration day, which is over here on this 2016 area. And this one actually didn't do too bad. This one wasn't as bad as, say, this one was a little bit different here for us, because I think timing was different. We had Trump coming in, but we actually dipped way below the market. We had a 34% decrease in the market before we came back out of it for a Trump inauguration. And this was Trump's inauguration in 2016. 34% dip in the market. Actually, it's a little less than that. 34% dip in the market. And then we climbed out of it leading up to inauguration day. We kind of went flat. Like we actually had a little bit of sell-off in the market on the next day of inauguration. We actually went down roughly about 6% on the next day in inauguration. But we basically traded sideways for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days. Actually, we'll say 11. We'll count this as a plus. We went 11 days before we actually took off. So 2 weeks before we took off to this nice little run right here. So again, just anticipate that as much as tomorrow is going to be great, we had a nice downfall before we came up here, which again, you could see right here. We actually started at the bottom of the RSI. So let me get the comment out of the way. You can see right here, we started at the very bottom of the RSI and we worked our way out of it, which again is what you saw right here. So that's what we started in 2016. Again, let's go back to 2021. 2021, we came up. Look at this, dude, guys. We worked our way up to it and then came down, and we started, before we pumped out of here, we're at the bottom of the RSI. So on inauguration day, we're actually at the very low of this RSI again. Now, look at us today. This is where it gets a little interesting for tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're completely opposite, dude. Tomorrow, we actually pumped up. And we're at the height. We're actually at the height of the RSI, meaning that we are extremely oversold. Before, we were under purchased. Crypto was under purchased when we went into inauguration day. Tomorrow, we're actually over purchased. We're over, like we spent too much. The market's looking like it's like we're over purchased and we're coming down now. It's hot. The market's hot. So again, when you're looking at this, you can just look at it from this way. We're coming in at the top of the market on the day chart. And we pumped up. So we're kind of like how we were in 2021, where we pumped up before we got into the market. We pumped up for a couple days getting into here. So what's the next, what is the next thing we're going to see? I don't know. We pumped up. Is tomorrow going to be a release and we're going to come down for the next couple days? Again, 7 to 11 days, we could be flatlined. So those are the things that you got to consider. One thing I always say is that if you're spot trading, you have a lot easier chance to get out of your positions than if you are actually leverage trading. So again, if you buy today and you spot trade and you put $1,000 in today and it goes down 30%, again, if you have money on the side, again, because if you're buying, you should have some money to DCA into your positions. Like that should just be common knowledge now in these positions. Like you should set aside some money to DCA in, especially if you're new to crypto and you're trying to find an established bag. And if you bought today and it goes down 30% tomorrow or over the next 3 days, you should be able to DCA your position into a bag to where if you bought today at 101 on Bitcoin and it goes down to 95, you could average out your bag to roughly around 97. You know what I mean? Like that's kind of what you want. So that when the run's there, you can work your way out of the position. If you're leverage trading, you can't work your way out of that position. You keep adding and getting liquidated. And that's what happens. You saw a lot of people in here that, Pablo got liquidated today, even with a 30x leverage on his trade with Trump. And that's what happens on these margin trades is that people put longs in and they get completely liquidated. People are going to go out here and put 100x leverage with $1,000 and they're going to get completely wiped out if this thing takes a tank. And that's what kind of happens here. So you got to look at both sides. You got to anticipate both sides. You can't just always think it's going to run. And again, that's where you have to really consider the risk involved and decide, how you want to do it. Again, if I bought today, if it comes down to my levels here, let's just say that it hits here. We'll play hypothetical here. Let's just say that tomorrow it comes down and hits my 31 on HBAR, right? I put $30,000 in on HBAR tomorrow. And let's just say that this thing actually continues downward, right? So let's just say that we come down. We're already at 20%. Like I said, 25% is kind of where the dip is. We're saying 30% dip. Let's just say that we come back down here to 30 to 28 cents. I mean, if I bought at 31, what's 28 going to be? 28 is going to be about another 7%. That's not that bad. I go in, I'll spot trade. I'll go in, I'll buy up another $10,000 of that, maybe $15,000 of that, and work my way back into that position so that now, I've DCA'd out of my position here. I'm probably going to be roughly at, 29 and a half, maybe 29 if I got it at the 28. So, yeah. And then when it comes back up above 29 and a half, I'm back in the positives, and it doesn't have to be, it's not that far to get back above. But if I leverage trade that, if I go over and I put, $10,000 in a leverage trade and this thing takes a shit tomorrow, I lose my 10K. Makes no sense. That's why I can't do leverage trade. But some people, they love that. They love that feeling. I don't. If they list it tomorrow, yeah, it's going to pump, dude. It probably will. Just because people are going to try to jump in. Hey, the Trump coin has a notice on it to limited withdrawals right now. Yeah, it's so crazy, dude. So crazy. Funny how Coinbase only has problems during bull run. They always do, Viking Cat. Like, it's always an issue with Coinbase, dude. Everyone be careful. Trump page has a notice. Yeah, be careful. We're talking about the same issues with crypto platforms. Yeah, dude, we've always been talking about that. Seiko, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Seiko gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Seiko and those 5 new members. Welcome to the A team. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you very much. We have roughly 2,787 people in here watching. Thank you guys so much for watching tonight. I will be on tomorrow at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time if you guys want to join for the inauguration. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and just appreciate you guys being here. Richard Gibson, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Trump broke Sol. Now it's everyone else's fault. That's pretty funny. That's actually pretty good. Thanks so much for the $2, man. This proves crypto doesn't work in the mainstream. I think it's hit and miss, right? Doesn't Melania have a bigger market cap than Trump already? I don't think so. I think that Trump is still sitting here at roughly. Let's actually refresh this. I thought that we're getting close. What does Trump have? Where's Trump token at? Trump is sitting about a 42. Actually, let's look over here. So Trump is still sitting at roughly. Well, Melania is sitting at a 1.89 billion market cap, and Trump is sitting at about an 8.8. So not even close. Plus, Melania is coming down pretty hot right now, right? Went all the way up to $13. It's literally lost almost 50% of its market value. So again, sitting up here about 13, let's just say 13.1, and it's down roughly about 41%. Damn, dude, that came down hot. Now let's look at Trump. One thing with Trump here is that Trump kind of did the same. Well, not really, actually. Trump didn't come down hot. Well, kind of. I guess when it got up here, it came down pretty hot. Let's see what the liquidation was here. About 27%. But I mean, maybe over here it came down pretty hot. Let's see what this was. Yeah, I mean, it lost 33% in the market right there. So again, it's going to have its ups and downs. I mean, they're going to find entry points. People are going to find these entry points in here, and people that are going to buy this and hopefully try to make a nice little mint out of it. That could happen, right? They're going to come down, buy this area right here, and hopefully try to get a 40% gain on that. That's how some people play the game. Not my style of playing, but I mean, some people do play that game. I would much rather come put my money over here, though. I'm gonna be honest with you. And again, Hbar is in a buy zone still today. I mean, I said anytime in this green area is obviously the Fibonacci is telling us that this is a buy zone here. And so I mean, I'd rather focus on these kind of things right here. And focus on this. This is kind of just like easy money for us. I mean, it's been easy money for us over all December and into January. Why would I take focus off this for a meme coin? You know what I mean? Again, I'm having fun with the Trump coin. I bought into it. I'm up pretty good on it. Put a little bit of money in there. I'm up like $1,000. Like, that's great. But I mean, these ones we're putting a lot more money in. I mean, $10, $15, $30,000 for these swing trades here. These are still the babies to watch. These are still the ones that make us a lot of money. So I'm not going to take focus away from those to focus on meme coins. Melania is already down 40%. Yeah, thanks, D. So I appreciate the $2, man. Yeah, thank you so much. Great teaching moment, Austin. Yeah, no problem. Stepping into grace. XRP has fought hate for. Yeah, I know. I've already gotten comments on my last stream saying that it's a shit coin. Go back and look at the comments, dude. It's actually pretty funny. Always buy and hold good utility coins. 100%, dude. Screw ETH. Yeah, next live tomorrow at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Not much. I bought another $100 of XRP. Hell yeah, dude. Do you think better crypto or Coinbase? What do you think is better, crypto or Coinbase? Michael, I think I like crypto. I like Coinbase. They just seem to have their issues. What are the day trading platforms you use for day trading? I usually just use Coinbase. It seems to be the best one. This whole Trump family, different memes, different platforms reminds me of Musk defragging Twitter's program. That's true, Steppin' in Grace. I give you that. XRP is going down for today. I mean, it's already went down. We'll have to continue to monitor it, see if it dips back down below the $3 mark, $300. That'd be cool if it was $300. You probably already went over this, but do you think Trump will head back up? Probably. Like I said, I'm not going to exit my position. I mean, it's still a very popular meme coin. If it gets on XRP and Robinhood, there's going to be some people probably buying it. XRP always hated, but we keep doing up the spot. Yeah, I agree. It always is hated, Pablo. Got a little over $1,000 in XRP. Is that a good amount? Yeah, I think anything's a good amount, dude. Old man Jenkins, thanks so much for the 199 here. Buy ETH. What did the big ETH purchase mean? I don't know what it meant, dude. I think they're, like I said, that's what they said. He just basically said Trump's world liberty, and then this is how much they bought, and then he basically came out and said, right here, we're all extremely proud of what we can continue to accomplish in crypto. And he talks about how this is going to revolutionize and start all this stuff. And, basically you have them buying up a ton of this ETH right here. And you have Eric Trump out here saying what he said right here is that wait until you see what they do tomorrow. So I'm like, shit, what does that even mean? They're going to buy up a bunch of XRP tomorrow? Come on, newbies. I'm 61. Thanks, Debbie, for the $5 donation. Red is good unless you're near retirement age. That is true. Yeah, but it was old kid sniffer taking the office. I have such bad FOMO right now. Decided to eat with Ma, and the dip was mostly. I get it, James Vaughn. FOMO is a hard thing to fight right now. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people out here that are FOMOing into positions. My only complaint with Coinbase was no fiat exchange. Yeah, I could agree with that, Ryan. Newbie here, is it too late to put into XRP, or are we still? I mean, it was in a buy zone earlier today. Like I said earlier, we were in a buy zone. It dipped down into the 382 right here. You can actually see there is a buy zone it dipped down into. This is sell territory when it's at the 382 level. When it gets down here into like the 383, this is like any time in this orange area right here, which is really from $2.86 down to $2.54 is like really good. It's a good area for retracement based off Fibonacci here. And then you got your golden pocket, which is like extremely good. And then anything down here is like, now it's obviously it's in a downturn. This is like these are some good areas to buy if you wanted to. Again, it's riskier as it goes down. It can continue to fall out or break out. So again, you got to sort of monitor that. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Meme coins just hold no value. They don't go up. They only go up in price with emotion. That's kind of what meme coins are. Hbar poised to run soon. Yeah, I think XLM, Hbar, I think they're all going to do well. Hbar hasn't had, or XLM hasn't had that breakout yet. And this dipped down here into the, like I said, the 4.2 area. So I'm saving eventually mortgage might be borrowed against XRP. Okay, damn. Trump is going to look at himself and his buddies up. A lot of us are just going to ride the wave. Probably true, Tony. Trump is already on Coinbase. It did actually get listed on Coinbase. Did it get listed on Coinbase? I thought it was just they were just saying. Oh yeah, it is. Official Trump is on Coinbase right now. Oh no, it's not. Oh, you can't buy it yet. You can do it in the wallet, but they haven't actually allowed it to be tradable on Coinbase. Yes, it's on the wallet. You can buy it on the wallet, but you can't actually buy it. You can't buy it on the exchange yet. Only through the wallet. Yeah, only through the wallet. I think I played out the scenario for if it's going to dump tomorrow. I think I played out the scenario. You gotta. It's up to you. The pre-sale is now closed. Yeah, I saw that with the Levi's pissed at Trump. I mean, what is there? I mean, people know. Like, I guess what is there to be mad about? I mean, I get that people jumped into it, but I mean, that's meme coins, guys. Like, I don't know what else to say. I mean, that's kind of like there's nothing to be mad about. I mean, he came out here, he launched a meme coin, and what did people? I guess what was the expectation? You got to create new levels, and that's kind of what happened here. But what was what is there to be mad about? I mean, I get that people got upset and got hurt because they leverage traded their positions and things like that, or they bought at certain positions. But I mean, that's the risk you take with buying investments, especially high risk investments like a meme coin that trade off emotion, not off anything else, which is everything I talk about on this channel. Like, that's why meme coins are so dangerous. But you got to accept that risk, and you can't blame anyone else for pushing that buy button but yourself, right? I mean, that's kind of what it comes down to. If you push that buy button, you can't go blame Trump or anyone else for this thing taking a dump. Like, you can't be mad about that. We all gotta, that's why meme coins are so dangerous, dude. You know what I'm saying? I know it sounds kind of direct, but I mean, that's what else should we do, right? Should we really be that? I mean, it's in our control whether we FOMO into these things or not, right? It's no one else that's controlling us. Appreciate all the knowledge and guidance you give. Last time I was in crypto, I got wrecked by Doge. Learned how to build a bag and swing trade. Oh, Borishito, dude, that's awesome to hear, man. I appreciate that a ton. I would say she always has problems because she's centralized. Yeah, I would agree with Coinbase, James Bond. Let's see here. Richard Gibson, thanks so much for the $2, man. How do I make fib look like that? Mine is black and white. Oh, you just got to go in here, change the settings, dude. Go in here, you'll see the settings up here. Just change the settings, and you can change your colors. You can change your symbols and stuff like that. So just go change the colors and settings. We're mad because it shook the market, dog. Dude, I think the market coming down is a good thing. Yeah, I think that I've been saying that we need the market to come down, because again, if it kept going up, inauguration day tomorrow would just, I mean, I think there would be a buy the rumor, sell the news event tomorrow. I guess I've been kind of wanting this to come down so that when tomorrow is a catalyst for growth, versus if we continue to grow, it's like going to get way oversold, and then like we create this downward catalyst, right? I kind of didn't want that, so I guess I've been talking the other way. And everyone here could probably attest to what I've been saying. I've been wanting this to actually work its way down. This actually hit a little too soon for me. I was hoping that we wouldn't hit this until like yesterday, when we started to hit this rise right here. I was hoping that we'd push this off till Saturday. I think we were like 4 days too early. And again, that's just my personal opinion here. I don't understand why people would be upset. Lots of people just made millions. Yeah, they made a millions too. I get that there's There's a lot of people that, again, got hurt, and I trust me. Last thing I do is want people to get hurt, especially new people coming to crypto. Last thing you want is people to get hurt in a position. But the only time that you lose is if you sell. So again, if you're not leverage trading and you're just spot trading, you could probably work your way out of this Trump coin if you actually didn't sell your position. The people that got hurt on this are the leverage traders. Majority of the people that got hurt on this are people going in there and putting leverage trades in. Period. If you spot traded this, you could work your way out of this bag. Easily work your way out of this bag. So again, if you sold early on this because it was falling, like, that means that, like, you just haven't been in the space long enough to learn that you could have worked your way out of this, right? You could have bought this dip right here at $30. Even if you bought up here at, let's say that you bought at 58 and it was going up, you didn't take profits, this thing came shooting back down. I mean, these people were eating this up. This person that sold right here, these people were eating this up, right? It already bounced back up 58%. I mean, you could have probably, if you bought in at 50, let's just say you bought at 50, 56 right here, then it took a dump and you bought back in here at like 37, you just averaged your price out at like probably 54. If you bought at 55 and you came down here, you bought at 30. I mean, you're probably right here where the price is. I mean, it may be a little bit higher than that, but you're right around this pricing. So depending on how much you bought and sold, I mean, that's just, or how much you bought on the dip right there. So, and again, that's why I would never play the meme coin game, because usually meme coins continue to go down, right? So even though you can't DCA your way out of position on meme coins most of the time, Trump could be different because this is actually a little bit more established, has a really big market cap. So like there's a good chance that this can actually be bought back up in certain times. But I mean, it's hard to work your way out of meme coins, dude. You can work your way out of established cryptos like XRP, Hbar, all that kind of stuff. FYI, Brad G is at the inauguration Eve event, dude. Heck yeah. That's awesome to hear. Thank you so much for the $2, Rebecca. Yeah, that's cool to hear. It was a crazy, crazy day. I'm glad I didn't get wrecked today. I sold my XRP, get Trump made, bigger bags. Yeah, I'm with you, Deepak, 100%. People who first experience was a meme coin, rest in peace. Yeah. It's tough. It's a tough road, dude. Meme coins are tough, man. I agree. I'm new and I have heard everyone warn about memes. Now people who already did like Trump are blaming him for releasing one. Yeah, it's kind of how it is, man. That's the meme coin space. People get really emotional. There was a lot of projects out here, a lot of project developers out here that were pissed off at Trump and mad about because they were getting their meme coins were getting liquidated. Look over here on this chart. Look at WIF, 20% down, Bonk 12% down, Pepe 16% down, Bone 16% down, Shib. All of these meme coins that are out here in this space were getting completely liquidated because of this. People were selling their meme coins to buy into these over here. So a lot of these developers out here were getting mad and putting out tweets on this, sort of bashing because they don't want the liquidity pulled from their projects, right? And that's kind of how the beef between a lot of meme coin stuff starts, because people leave one meme coin to go into the other meme coin, and it causes a lot of beef. And that's the space I do not want to be in. I do not like to be in a space where that all evolves. I've been there, done it. I don't ever want to do it again. JB Heavy Equipment, thanks so much for being a member for 1 month. Thoughts on VeChain, bro? I like VeChain. I just think it's a really slow mover. I think it's going to do well. I mean, it's still one of the larger promotions out there for the UFC. Again, it's just kind of a slow mover, and it's not as sexy as a lot of these other ones. I'll just say that. At 2:30, but Interme said to pass, don't destroy the average on Solana. Hey, that's Yash. That's not a bad thing. Bro, I literally saw, yeah, that's cool. Everybody who wants markets to go up, if the market goes down, it's a buying opportunity. 100%, Justin Smiley. It can't always go up in price. He didn't just keep the, yeah. It was the leverage trading that got a lot of people wrecked. That's why people are a lot of upset, because they went out there and they leverage trade. You go over and just type in Trump, just type in Trump leverage. You'll probably see a ton of tweets out there where people are pissed off because they missed out on their leverage trades. They got liquidated, right? Crypto 2016, this is the best info. Oh, appreciate that, Jan. Yo, Austin, I made the exact same mistake. Yeah. Hey, Austin, thanks. You and your honest chat, I've learned so much. Oh, Enable Traveler, thanks so much, man. Meme coins are $10 scratchers. So true, dude. Can you compare the past charts on inauguration day to today's again? Yeah, we could look at that real quick. I'll look at that here in a minute, dude. Let me get through this right here. Con, thanks so much for the $5. Are we thinking about break all-time highs for BTC this week? History doesn't really show that. Again, I hope we do. I hope we do. Again, I think that there's opportunities for tomorrow to be a good. Tomorrow is a whole new. We got a pro crypto administration coming in. We got a lot of manipulation in the market right now. I think that the last couple of days have been absolutely crazy. It's so hard to judge now with like all this stuff coming on. I don't know what's going to happen in the next couple of days. We could obviously go. We could hit this boom tomorrow, which you should prepare for. Which I hope you've been preparing for through this accumulation phase. If you're just getting into crypto over the last month, this is a great accumulation phase right here. Again, if you got in below this and you were getting accumulating down here, you're already set and ready to rock and roll. You know what I mean? Again, people that were buying down here, you're no longer on the sidelines. You're actually holding for, a hopes that it goes up tomorrow. If you're accumulating in here, again, you're hoping that it goes up tomorrow. You might come down and you might have to DCA into some of your positions, or you might have to buy. But yeah, we all hope that anticipates that this continues to rise. We do hope that that we get to this all-time high up here of 108 and maybe into 110. Like if you pull back and look, we're going to get there. That's just a matter of when. And you can see that we are definitely right here on the 4-hour, we're actually down, but on the 12-hour, we're way up here. And on the day chart, we're way up here. So we haven't come into inauguration day with RSI in purchase territory. We're in over purchase territory right now. Today, you know what I mean? Like we're starting to come down here. We could do something like this right here. You see, let me get your comment out of the way. We could do something like this. See where we came up, came down, came up, came down. We could do that right here. And if we pull back and actually see what that was like right there, you can see it looked something like this, right? We came up, we came down, but we didn't really come from the bottom right here. So, I mean, we're already up here and then we're coming down and then we're coming up and then we had a massive fall off. So even if we do this trend right here, just realize we're going to have a little bit of a fall off, and that fall off is going to equate to roughly a 12% fall off with Bitcoin. That's what that did right there with that pattern. Even this pattern right here, we did the same thing, right? Up, down, up, and then we had this massive sell off right here, which again, if you want to look at that one, was roughly 25% fallout. So again, I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. It's too hard to predict, but I think you should be prepared for both. And I hope people have just been accumulating to hopefully wait for tomorrow. And they sit back and they just watch everything that they worked for. They just sit back and wait for tomorrow. And hopefully it's good. And if it's not, then we adjust and we try to make what's best out of it, dude. Try to make, when it gives us lemons, we go make lemonade, right? And that's how the saying goes. So yeah, thanks again for the $5 there. Oscar, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Appreciate you stopping by and commenting in the chat here. Appreciate you, bud. Do you think Trump coin? Madison, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Do you think Trump meme coins will go up with inauguration day? It very well could. I mean, they could really set it up and pump it up. You know what I mean? They really, really could. But same time, I mean, it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event as well. Meme coins are super volatile, dude. And this proved it right now. So yeah, no, I appreciate that, Oscar. Thanks so much, dude, for stopping by and showing some love, man. Oh, you don't pump it up? You talking about the song? Pump it up? Those people are going to lose on the meme coin. Yeah, people, again, I think it's easier to work your way out of positions. Just try not to get liquidated if you're putting in, leverage trades on this. That's what gets people caught. You know what I mean? Will Melania go back up? Let's take a look. It's at 730. I mean, it's actually starting to stabilize a little bit here. So again, not too bad of a stabilization right here. We're down roughly 43%. That's a pretty big dip. 43% is a pretty big dip. What was Trump down when it dipped right here? 50, was it 50% dip? Yeah, 59%. Gosh, dang. But the sell in that was insane. I mean, the sell was like over what? Like $50 million in that sell right there. So yeah, this will probably continue to come down. I mean, and the thing is, what's hurting this as well is that people can't buy this. You guys remember Solana's backed up. So realistic. I mean, it's too hard to say. Honestly, for the realistic price of this, it's too hard to say. It's sitting at almost a $2 billion market cap, which is crazy to think. This thing just launched not even 4 hours ago, and it's sitting at a $2 billion market cap. That's insane, dude. It's insane. Buy if it's down now, put your phone down for a week and then just let it look. Yeah, that could be a good advice. Just put your phone down, let it do its thing. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. We've been preparing for tomorrow for months. Absolutely, Ike Diesel. We've been talking about this for a long time, right? Accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. Build your bag, build your bag, build your bag, and yeah, that's all you can do. And then just sit back and let it come through. You know what I mean? Just sit back and let the fruits of your labor come to fruition tomorrow. And if it goes down, then you keep building and building and building. And if it goes up, then we sit back with smiles on our face. And if it keeps going down, you put a smile on your face and try to find positions, dude. That's the best way. We've seen that, and that's how crypto runs, man. Very highly volatile, highly speculative. That's exactly what it is. And to some people, we really enjoy that. To some, others don't. You know what I mean? Um, it's a rush, it's a ride, and we'll see how it all plays out. Hit that like button and sub. Appreciate you, Corey. Thanks so much, man. What's up, Lucio? You need XRP to partner with BlackRock. Tokenize the world. Absolutely, dude. How we what's it? Should I buy right now? It's up to you, man. I think if you're trying to accumulate something, you could. I have my buy orders are in right now. They're aggressive buy orders, but I mean, if they hit, they hit. If they don't, they don't. You know what I mean? I'm not sweating it. I'm not going to be upset about it. Now, I will be a little upset. I told you guys I will be a little upset with there will be a little bit upset with the HBAR one right here. I will say that I might be a little bit butthurt if I did miss out on this by 3%. I would be a little bit butthurt on this one. Less than 3%. Gosh, dude. That was less than 3%. What was that? 31. Dude, 2%. If I lose out on this by 2%, I'll be a little disappointed. I'll admit that. I will admit that, dude. What is that? That is roughly, oh man, like 6/100ths of a cent. If I lose out on that by 6/100ths of a cent, I'm gonna be sad. I will be a little sad on that one. It's okay though, right? It's just a swing trade. We have a large bag that we're excited about, and that's all that matters. Spammers, yeah, we get a lot of spammers, dude. We need an official A-team bingo card for tomorrow. She made an iPad freeze. Isn't that a rule in The Big Short? Jerking it. Yeah. How many kilobars? Yeah, it's nice to see the market bounce back. I bought an XRP at 309. Is there a dip? Am I playing a risky game by letting it ride? No, I think that's the way. If you're establishing a bag, Reaper, I think that's kind of how you do it. And then you have to work your way into that bag. Trust me, we did it the whole bear market, man. You work your way into bags. You have to. Where to buy Melania coin? You can buy it on Radium. You can buy it. You can buy it all over the place, dude. Radium is probably the best place to go. Let's see right here. Yeah, it's pretty crazy with Solana, dude. How crappy they are. I can't believe it, dude. How bad their services with this pending orders. You know what I mean? It's kind of wild. How much do you think XRP will hit tomorrow? It's tough to dude. Too tough to say, man. I'm here for the ride, dude. I'll tell you that. Bags are packed. If it goes up, I'm ecstatic. If it goes down, then it hits my buy orders. That's kind of where I'm playing it, dude. You can't be disappointed. Like you set yourself up for success by buying a long-term bag, holding a long-term bag, and then the best thing you can do is in scenarios like this where it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news, or anything like that. You put your buy orders in, and if they hit, be excited about it, right? And if it doesn't hit because it went up in price, you have your long-term bag that you're excited about. So it's a win-win. I mean, it literally is a win-win tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a stress-free day. I'm not even, there's nothing that I can say. We've been prepping for tomorrow, dude. Since December, this whole stream has been prepping for tomorrow. Accumulate. Swing trade if you can after you accumulate your bag. If you accumulate a bag that you like, you hold that bag, you hope for the future, and you just, set it and forget it. And then you swing trade if for fun, which is what we do on the channel here. And you set aggressive swing trades to make the biggest, bang for your buck out of it. And if they hit, they hit. If they don't, they don't. You move on to the next one after that. That's really what it comes down to. And it's a win-win. The price goes up, you're winning because you're long term. If the price goes down, it hits your buy orders, and boom, you got a swing trade. You're in. It literally is a win-win. You can't be upset with it. And if you actually practice it, if you actually practice what I'm saying, you'll get what, like, you'll finally go, oh shit, it literally will make sense to you, and you'll go, wow, I've been doing it wrong this entire time. What's the news for tomorrow? Just the 47th president becoming, being sworn in to the United States. Nothing big, kind of small deal. I'm just playing, bro. For sure. I'm just playing with you. Hope for a pump, but expect a dump. Yeah, right. And hey, and if we get the dump, right, we have our buy orders in, and we're probably going to be happy with those, dude. If you can't tell me that if XRP dipped to 225 tomorrow, you wouldn't be ecstatic. Would you be happy or mad? I want to know what everyone says. If we dipped to 225 tomorrow on XRP because of a liquidation event, would you be disappointed, or would you be like, oh shit, all right, I got a really good entry point? Which one would you guys be? I really want to know. Mad, happy or mad? I should probably put out a poll on that. 225 all in. See, like I'm saying, like that's what I'm saying. You'd be mad. Okay, some people would be mad. You'd be buy. Hell no, my orders would hit. See, so like some people are stoked, fired up. Like it's a mixed result here. I'd be pissed. I'd be pissed. I'd have my bag. Let's go. I have my bag. Let's go. See, so some people have their bag. I'm broke, so wouldn't care. Let's be fine. I'd have no choice but to be happy. Buying XRP goes below 225. Hell, I got 10K waiting. See, so like, yeah, don't matter. See, Debbie's like, doesn't matter. I'm the same way. It doesn't matter to me. I mean, we built this for 3 years, dude. And like I said, even people that built it back in November, like, or bought it like $1.50 or bought it at $1.90 and are still holding, like, that's a set it and forget it moment, dude. Even if you bought it 250, you're still like, hey, dude, if it comes back down, I'm gonna DCA into my position. But if you bought at $2, I mean, the chances of us hitting $2 right now seems bleak. Doesn't mean it can't happen, but it seems bleak right now. But if you bought in at that price, you're sitting back going, I don't care what happens, dude. Tomorrow we just ride it out and hope for the best, and I'll swing trade and play around. Hit that like button, sub up, shares, Austin to with. Oh, I appreciate you, Corey, man. Thanks so much for. If you're still bag building, it's a buying opportunity. 100% bad. We're trying to accumulate bags, trying to accumulate long-term bags. Been building since 20 goddamn 20. I don't know what I'm talking about. 10K win. See, so we have a lot of people here we have mixed results, but in all reality, most of us would probably be pretty high. I think most of us would probably be like, okay, no big deal, dude. We just had a really, really good entry point. Dude, if I got Hbar back at 26 cents, I wouldn't even know what to say to myself, dude. If I got this back at 26 cents, I'd be like, dude, we already know what it's going to do. We already know that the bull run's here. We already know that it's going to go up in price. So any of these entry points down here are like, dude, these are just money in the bank. These are money in the bank, dude. There is nothing to be upset about it. And if it goes up tomorrow, our long-term bags grow, we prosper, we get it happy, we find the next dip, we buy in, we do the same thing over and over again. So there's nothing to be disappointed about. So yeah, just don't get FOMO, don't get upset. Nothing. We don't do that on the channel. You know what I mean? I bought some at 140. That's a good price, dude. 140 is a great price. I got XRP at 35 cents. That's filthy, bro. We're right around where I'm at, dude. That's amazing stuff right there. And we're all gonna win, dude. That's what it comes down to. We are all gonna win this in this bull run, dude. Dude, soon, Sumerus. Thanks so much for the $5, dude. What's your realistic expectation this bull run for utility coins from previous all-time highs? I mean, I think we're gonna do really well. I mapped them out pretty good. Again, I think that there's really good chances that we get, here with Hbar. I'm predicting I think we're gonna get to $200. Geez, that'd be crazy. $2. And again, that's just based off the math from the previous runs, right? We know that we lose about 71% in the market during the bear market, and we go down to the previous highs, which is roughly around 59 cents. So if you believe that, and again, history has shown us that that's really like, any purchase below 59 is a deal. Any purchase below 58 cents is a deal, because we know that eventually in the bear market, it's going to come back down to 58 cents. So you'll never get these prices again back in the next bear market. If history does what it always says, which again, usually all-time highs come down anywhere from 70 to 80%. Usually altcoins are about 80 to 85%, but I'm playing a little bit safe here and saying 70%. So I'm just saying that $2 is hypothetically where it could be. And then, in the bear market, we'll lose about 70 to 80% in the market, and it'll bring us right back down to where we're at right here at 58 cents. And so, I mean, even these prices right now, if you believe that and what history has shown us with that over the years and all the years that have been out here, then yeah, that's a pretty good deal. From now to 58 cents is a pretty damn good deal. Don't forget we have fun with your crypto ride. Yeah, definitely have fun, dude. Like don't stress out so much about it. Don't use your mortgage or grocery or car payment money to buy crypto. Don't do it. Big A, that's good advice too. A lot of people do that, right? They'll go and what's a bag? Buying like you accumulate. When I say accumulate a bag, it's just a wallet. You go take a wallet and you just keep adding to your wallet over time. So say you buy it $100 and then you put $100 in, then you put $200 in, you put $500 in. Next thing you know, you have $800 in that wallet. We call it a bag. You're building your bag. It's just like, I guess, a lingo for crypto. And so you can have a separate bag, separate wallet where you can do things out of, things like that. I'm about to, Michael, I'm about to stroke out. Don't do that, dude. Don't stroke out. That's funny, bro. That's funny. You got me laughing pretty good right there. Do you think Tron's going to bounce back, man? I'm not a Tron guy, dude. I'll admit. Again, anyone in Tron, I hope you guys do well. I'm just not a Tron guy. There's just something about Justin Sun that's always thrown me off. He's always reminded me of like another Do Kwon. And I just like, dude, there's no way I'd ever put my money in it. I don't know why. But hey, to each our own, dude. He's building and doing his thing, but it's not where I want to put my money. Does your trailing loss stay the same in the bull run as it does in the regular swing trade? Yeah. Just put trail and loss in there. Can you explain again what will happen if Trump coin tomorrow? I don't know what's gonna happen with Trump coin tomorrow. I'm gonna be honest with you, dude. I don't think it's too speculative, bro. It's a meme coin. It's emotions. Emotions are playing in this. This is emotional trading. This isn't any. You can't even try to TA this. If someone's TAing this, dude, they're blowing smoke. They're literally blowing smoke up your ass if they're TAing this. There's no way. There's no trend. There's nothing, dude. You have nothing to TA on this. And if someone's trying, that's laughable. I would love to see it. I'd love to see that happen. So please show me if someone's TAing this so I can watch. Maybe I can learn a thing or two. But you can't TA. You can't TA these. You can't TA meme coins, bro. You might be able to try, but again, it's emotional. Look at Pepe's down 16%. You know why it's down 16%? That's emotional, dude. Has nothing to do with UK. That's nothing with any of that. That's emotional trading right there. Exit Pepe to buy Trump. Exit WIF to buy Trump. Exit Bonk to buy. Like, that's emotional trading. You don't see people exiting XRP to go buy Trump. You don't see people converting XRP to Solana to buy Trump. Like, again, some people might have, but majority of the XRP army, like all of us that are here, we're not doing that stuff. Like, it's just not happening. I never miss a Sunday. Hell yeah. Hey man, probably a rookie question, but why could a meme coin rip like Trump coin, but XRP won't? I mean, I think we have ripped like XRP, dude. I mean, if you got to think, we're already up. Most of the people when XRP came out, dude. I mean, let's go look at XRP. And again, I think it has to do a lot with the markets. But let's look at this, dude. All time low for XRP is 0.002. It's up over 110,000% from its all-time low back in 2014 for XRP. I mean, imagine being up 110,000%. That's insane, dude. 110,000% from an all-time low. That's wild, bro. So it has pumped. It's just been out for so long, and it's built and built and built and built, and now the market cap's so high on it that it doesn't bust out as much. It's 178 billion. And that means to double this, you got to add another 178 billion into this market on XRP to double this price. To move from $3 to $6, you got to literally put another $177 billion into this market cap. So, but with Trump, I mean, now it's at a $2 billion. Well, let's just say Trump's at a $9 billion market cap. To move this up, you only need to put another 10 billion into this to make it go to 2x. But let's just take Melania, right? I mean, it's down at 2 billion. If it ever gets where Trump is, that's going to be a 5x from where you're at. And that's what people hope for in these meme coins, dude. That's what happens in Pepe, all this stuff, dude. Pepe's the same way. So yeah, it's just because it has a lower market cap, it makes it easier to bounce. But you got to think, I mean, if you bought back at 0.002 cents on XRP back in 2014, you'd be like, dude, this is almost like the amount of gains of a shit coin. XRP rips. XRP's been ripping, dude. I mean, like what is this? This is fantastic, guys. When in doubt, zoom out, right? When in doubt, zoom out on this bad boy. This is like amazing. We should, if you bought back here on November 5th, like you are sitting in gold. You didn't even have to fight through the bear market. We fought through a lot of us fought through the bear market to get to where we're at, which has sucked. But I mean, like, we're here for it, right? We fought through this. Buying it in the 30-cent marker, right? The third down here in this trench of hell after the FTX fiasco. Like, that was the trench of hell. This is the trench of hell right here. And we fought all the way out of it. You know what I mean? And yeah, so this is great, dude. Like, we're already up. I mean, let's go back to 30. If you're buying it at 31 cents, 30 cents, I mean, we're already up 900%, dude. Just from that. And if you bought back before Trump, I mean, at 50-cent mark, right? When you could have bought it, you could have bought this at November 4th for 50 cents. You're still up 500%, dude. Like, that's such good returns, man, on a blue chip crypto. Like, that's amazing, amazing returns. Honestly, you'll never get that in the stock market ever in a 2-month period. That's why crypto is so great, dude. You find these blue chips like this and you put your money in there, it's secured. It sat around this price from 30 to 50 cents for like 3 years, since 2022, dude, since the fall of 2022 all the way until 2024, going into 2020, almost 3 years it sat at the sideways trading, dude. And then anyone that bought right here got so lucky, and that's just like the best return ever. I can't even explain it. XRP is bad. It is, dude. And HBAR did the same, dude. We all accumulated HBAR. Like, let's go back and look at HBAR, dude. You could have been buying HBAR at 4 cents, dude, right before Trump. We were buying it in here. I was, dude, this dipped down lower than I actually had my accumulation. And dude, this dipped lower at 4 cents, dude. I was buying it at like 5, over here. It was like, it dipped down to 4. I bought it at 4. It came up. I bought it at 5. My average was like 4.5. I think I was actually down at some point before this actually took off. And I tell you the truth, I was actually maybe up just a slight bit, like maybe a couple $1,000. But then this thing took off, bro. Took off. And I mean, like, this is some crazy, crazy gains right here. I mean, we're up 600% right now. And all I could think about is if this gets to $2, like I hope it will. And not to pump hopium in anything here, but like, dude, if this gets up to that's a 3,000% return in a year. Like, you don't get that. You won't get that. It'll take you 30 years to get that in a stock. It'll take you 30 years. Unless you bought NVIDIA. I hope it does. I hope it does. I hope HBAR does hit $2. Yes. Saying that the Trumps did this to prove the XRP is superior because of how slow Solana is. Dude, that would be awesome, actually, because Solana is just it's so bad right now. Oh my God. Yeah, there won't be a bear market if it takes over. I could agree to some extent. Why is XRP so cheap? It's just market cap, dude. It's just the market cap. They have a lot more coins in circulation. They have 57 billion in circulation. So the more you have in circulation, you compare that to the market, which then gives you the value of the coin. So yeah. Why is XRP so cheap? Yeah, I just said that. My buy order is 250, Joshua, 250 and 225. The SEC lawsuit suppressed the growth of 7. Yeah, it really did. It really did, dude. Oh yeah, Bitcoin dominance. We can look at Bitcoin dominance real quick. Where's my chart? Where the hell did I put my chart? There it is. Let's go to XRP. Yeah, it's still going up right now. Bitcoin dominance is going up. Sitting here roughly, yeah, it's on its way up right now. Yeah, you can see it right there. It's on its way up. Boom, boom. So, which is causing XRP to come down. Again, when Bitcoin dominance goes up, altcoins usually go down. So we'll see what today brings. Like I said, the 12 hours still showing we're on a downward, right? Even though we're in the green in the last 12, we're still looking like we have some room down. Let me move your comment out of the way. RSI is showing downward, right? Day chart is showing downward. So this actually needs to be moved over to the 21st. So yeah, tomorrow's gonna be an interesting day, guys. I'm so excited for tomorrow. I don't care what happens, up, down, sideways. I don't care. I'm excited that there's just a lot of things I'm excited for, not just for crypto. I think just for the economy, for the growth of America, for just a lot of things I think I'm just happy for. So, and I do hope that they do make America first. I hope that we are put first in a lot of things. That's the one thing I really hope comes true, is that Americans are put first with decisions that are made. And whether that happens or not, I don't know. But it would be nice for the first time in our lives to actually have a country and a government who puts us first versus everything else. If you watch Trump's speech today, if you watch the end of his speech today, dude, it actually, I mean, again, I'm not here to be political, but it kind of gave me goosebumps, because it was like, dude, if he actually holds true to that, like, how could you not be excited about that? Regardless of how you feel about the guy, if he actually holds true to that, I mean, everyone can sit there and go, yeah, if that actually happens, like, that's legit, right? So, 250 and 225, Joshua. Does it cost to edit or cancel a limit order? No, it does not. We got to pull an all-nighter. I'd die. I would die. Hey, old man Jenkins, thanks so much for the $2. Your typical wife ruining the fun. Thanks so much for the $2, bro. XRP will outperform the top 5 coins in 2025. Francis, I mean, it very well could, man. Buy now or wait. If buy now, what? I mean, yeah, it's really up to you. I mean, XLM. I mean, there's a lot of cryptos out here that you could buy and be happy about. Might see 290, but 250, nah. Yeah, that's kind of where, I mean, I put aggressive buy. I put these buy orders in a long time ago. The A team knows the 225's I put the 225 in. So we're day trading this one, just to give everyone some insight on this. So we're day trading the hell out of this over here, right? We're day trading this whole thing, and 225 was always the marker. So we bought in at 225, it went up. We sold, bought in at 225, it went up, and then sold, and then it came down and hit 225 again, and that was the last buy. And I was at a soccer tournament. I left for a soccer game on this day right here, and it came down, hit this, and I didn't buy, and it went up, and it just kept going up. I was like, God, I missed it. And so I kept saying, so the joke is 225, and I kept that was my buy order was there at 225, hoping that this would come down. We would go up, we'd sell, this would come down and hit. And so I missed my buy order by really not a whole lot. You can see that wick. I thought it was going to hit, and I missed it by, dude, like literally, where's my 25? 3%. So just barely. Yeah, that sucks. Look back, that would have been a nice little swing right there, because that's when we went crazy. We went from there, and I missed that entire swing. So we went 42%, and I was like, God damn it. But hey, teach our own, right? Now we're coming down. So I kept that 225 right there, and like I said, 250 is my next line right here. You can see, which again, if I pull this back and look at the fair value gap right here, it's right above. It's really aggressive. It's at the bottom of the fair value gap right here. At 255. Oh, it's 255. Dude, shit, did I do 255? I had a 255. Now I keep saying 250. I gotta look to see what I put it in at. Hold on. I keep saying 250. I might have put it at 250, and it should have been 255. Just a sec. I'm glad you actually said that, because now I'm going to double check this before I go to bed. Thank you, Richard, for bringing this up. I got to double check this bad boy. Hold on. Yep, I did 250, dude. 250. Shit, I should probably move it up 255. Yeah, I'm probably gonna move it to 255. Hold on. Yeah, good catch. Good catch. I had it for 250, 255. So there we go. We'll fix that up. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go, Mel. What's up, bud? No sleep till Tuesday. I don't know about that. That'd be rough. I clear my calendar tomorrow. Me too, dude. We're gonna be on all day. I think I was telling us going to be using Solana as a crypto reserve. I hope not. Solana just showed its true colors today. XRP went like 185 billion market cap to about 165 billion with Trump coin launch. I got a little scared. Yeah, it definitely dipped a little bit. But I think that was a lot of people just, I don't know what it was. Not election, no election, but swearing in. Yeah, not election. I see this election. I meant swearing in. Yeah, my coffee mug is gonna want to quit its job in the next few days. Could you recommend a cold wallet? Yeah, I put one in my link. I put a link down in my description for. I use Ledger, so I use this right here. I use the Ledger Nano. Boom. So, yeah. Hey, Dakota, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, and welcome, my friend. Let's see. Is it worth? That's not saying much. ETH sucks too. ETH is a little rough. If you're new to crypto, ETH is not the most desirable blockchain out there. I mean, it is kind of rough. Oh, dude, Santa Corky, thanks so much, man. 80K subs. I see a silver plaque in there. I appreciate you, man. Yeah, we hit 80K subs today. Pretty excited about that. I will admit, 80,000 was nice to hit. So 100,000 is next. And again, appreciate everyone being here and supporting the channel as always. I do appreciate that, and thank you so much for the $5, man, and all the support here. I know, dude. I know, Tony. You, at least I'm explaining to you why I had it there, right? You could see I missed that by. You could see. I know you left me a comment, and obviously I know it was in. It's all good now. But you can see we missed this 225, and it sucks because we missed this 225 by 3%, dude. Literally, it hit at 233, and I thought for sure it was going to come down 3 more percent. Like we didn't miss it by too much, and it's like, it does suck though. But it was a super aggressive buy. Again, it was super aggressive, and maybe I shouldn't have been so aggressive, but it is what it is now. So just chiming in. What chart is this? Oh, this is a XRP chart. We're looking for retracements. This is on the day chart. We can go to the 4. We can go to the which is good right here on the you can see right here it definitely filled up this fair value gap right here. It left at 291. Again, our goal is to get back down here into the 270s, but again, I don't know. My buy order is here at 255, and now I had to adjust that. I had it at 250, but 255, and then down here at 225. So, Elizabeth, dude, thanks so much for the $5. You watching daily. Just discovered how to make it rain. How to make it rain. Elizabeth, thank you so much for the $5. Yes, we're gonna make it rain, dude. That's the whole goal here. So appreciate that a ton. Thank you. Ashley, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much. Austin, you're drunk. Why am I drunk? I'm not drunk. Dude, I don't drink. Do we think dip's over? It's tough to say, man. It's looking I mean, the charts the charts are looking nice. Yeah, the charts are looking nice. I drink coffee, yeah. Oh, and Ashley, thanks so much for the $5 donation to the channel too. And again, welcome to the channel. Really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Any opinion on price of XRP by the end of the year? I mean, I think this bull run, I'm shooting for $7 for sure. $7, I think, is a pretty. It could easily hit $7, which puts it right around the price of Ethereum. $10 puts it like almost a little bit over Ethereum. So yeah, I can see that. Hoping XRP is still good tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll keep our fingers crossed. Buy Trump because a lot of people still don't know about it, and tomorrow they will. True. I agree with that. 225. That's scary. I hope it never goes there again. Francis. It's more of it's kind of a joke now on the A team. I think it's more of us just joking about it because I missed it by 3% on the swing trade, and now I'm like stubborn, like it's gonna hit 225 again. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, I mean, that's the good part about having orders in is that they're good till canceled. So, Selmofa, what's up, buddy? Are you straight edge? XRP 710 this run. I that's kind of what I'm hoping for. Yeah, new member. Don't forget to join the Discord. Yeah, definitely don't forget to join the Discord. If you're a new member to the channel, you can definitely go over. You can click the link. I think Fan might have put the link up there, so you can go over there and join the Discord as well. Hbar 3 to 5 this cycle. You're a little bit ahead of me. I'm just trying to get to 2, which would put me at a really good return. XRP going to 400 billion market cap by the end of the year. I'm kind of with you, Francis. I think that puts it in a fair $7 is a pretty fair. That's a very low conservative number, but I think it's doable for sure. Billion, right? Appreciate you being here, man. We'll see you tomorrow, dude. Have a great night. My family name is Solana. Oh, really? That's interesting. This bull run, HRP prediction, yeah, I'm saying $2. Some people like Viking Cast saying 3 to 5. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. There will be $1 trillion put into XRP. That, dude, if it gets $1 trillion, I mean, we could play the game. You guys want to play the game? We can play the game. I like playing the game. We could play hypotheticals here. I like hypotheticals. All right, let's say it gets to $10. To 3 times multiplier puts us at a $575 billion market cap. That puts us right where $10 puts us right where Ethereum is. What's $20 put us at? $20 puts us at a 1.1 trillion. So, if it hits $1 trillion market cap, you're roughly around that $20 mark. So, I mean, imagine if you bought in today at $3, then you're sitting here at roughly a 6x, 6.5x. That's pretty damn good. So, it's like I said, I like to play the game. So much going on. Let's go. What's up, James? What do you think about Sui? I think Sui's great, dude. I think Sui is a perfect example. I'd like to see it tested like Solana and see how well it does. Maybe more people would move over there and increase my $1.50 bag. Next page. Thanks so much for the $5, dude. Hi, new sub here. New to crypto. Is Hbar the XRP of 4 years ago or no? Thoughts? I mean, they're different. It's hard to compare the two because they're completely different on what they're doing. But yeah, I think XRP is just really good. I don't know if I don't like comparing them, but I mean, it is kind of the new. People are liking it. It's like the new kid on the block type of thing. It's been out there for a long time, but I think it's kind of up and running. XLM's there too. Again, not just Hbar, but XLM's there. XLM actually hasn't had a breakout, so this is where I'm kind of digging XLM in a way. It came down to actually hit our buy indicators right here. But we haven't had a breakout yet with XLM. You can see all the other ones like XRP. We broke out from its high right here, sitting at 289. Hbar broke out from its high of right here at 39 cents. It went up to roughly 40. And then XLM is still sitting down here. It hasn't broke its high of this cycle. And same with Chainlink. Chainlink's another one I don't talk about enough, but this one hasn't had a breakout yet of this cycle either. So I kind of like those that haven't had the breakouts because that means that they still have a good opportunity to break out of this all-time high of the cycle, where XRP and Hbar have already kind of made that run. But, it has come back down below the cycle, where XRP has not come back down below the cycle here. It did right here at this 289 marker. It did hit the cycle high, but we're still above it right now. So that's why, again, I'm not really pushing to like enter a swing trade into XRP because it is definitely an oversold. I have a long-term bag of it, so I'm not looking to swing trade this, but I am looking to swing trade like an XRP or an Hbar that has come down into a buy zone. We're in a buy zone right here. So again, when you get into these buy zones, this gives you a better opportunity to win your trade. Not saying you're going to win your trade. Again, it gives you a better opportunity. So if you spot trade this and you say it goes down again, you have the DCA in, you have a better opportunity to win the trade when it comes back out. Same with XLM. XLM dipped into our buy zone right here. So this, again, gives us a better opportunity to then buy this area for the next breakout. So those are the kind of ones I'm looking at. Hbar's in the same place. So that's how I'm doing. I have a long-term bag that I wait for. I try to swing trade for upward trends, and those are kind of where they're at right now. So, and again, you can see right here that Chainlink has dipped back down. It did dip back down earlier and built back out. So again, if you want to wait for it to come back down, and on the 12-hour here, there is right here the 21 marker, which I thought this is going to come down and maybe hit, but there is a fair value gap right in the golden pocket. So that would be the most ideal of all scenarios. So there you have it. I think that's kind of where I'd go, and that's kind of how I feel, I guess. But thanks so much. Next page for the $5. Hyuncio Chun, thanks so much for the $2. Hi, just describe. What do you think of XLM? I think I just said XLM is great, and I think I just explained that one. So yeah, thank you so much for the $2. I appreciate that. Yeah, XLM is a solid play too. Some of you are going to be very disappointed. Yeah, you got to prepare for tomorrow, dude. It could go two ways. It's going to go up or down, and you just got to prepare yourself. And just like I said, hopefully you've eased yourself with being able to buy throughout the month or the last 2 months, and you're happy with where you're at, and you can just wait to see what happens. There is a SUI lawsuit. Is anyone concerned? What is the lawsuit over? I don't even know there was a lawsuit. It could come down in price. Like I said, there's always history has shown this. I mean, again, if we go back and look at the history of Bitcoin, I mean, I showed this earlier. I mean, we do have drops in the markets after inauguration days. So again, I'll probably end this here in a little bit here. I'll probably be on here for about 4 more minutes, but I will end with this right here, is that going back to inauguration day. Gosh, I totally messed this up. What chart is it on? Going back to inauguration days, we can see right here in 2017, this is the day chart right here for 2017. Here's the day chart. January 20th came on inauguration day. We lost 19% in the market, and it took roughly 7 days before we started to build out of that downfall. But again, we were already on a downfall from up here. See that? You can see, let me lower this and get the comment out of the way here. You can see right here with the RSI. Oops, RSI is over here. We were already on this downfall right here. So we were already starting to have this downfall and continued the downfall, which came down. And if we want to calculate that entire downfall, it actually was roughly a 31% in the market from the top up here to down here. So we actually lost 31% in the market. And inauguration day after that, we lost about 20%. Then we took 7 days to build out of this. Okay, so let's go back to 2016 here, which is when Trump first came into office way back when, okay? And we can calculate the same sort of deal here. The RSI, again, was at its bottom, right? We actually had a downfall in the market about roughly 34% before we built back up just slightly into inauguration day. So we started at the bottom of the RSI for this one. We had a massive sell-off at 34% dip, and then we were able to buy up out of this, and we still went flat for, even on inauguration day, even though we had a really good inauguration day, we went flat for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days. We stayed flat before we actually broke out. So you got to realize that like this scenario could come in tomorrow. But the good thing is that no matter how you look at it, when you zoom out, we've always gone up in price. We've always broke out. So even if you buy right now and you have to wait and endure a fall in the market, just realize we've always pulled out of it and done well. So like, don't exit positions if you can wait them out, right? I get the people who go out there and they leverage trade or they margin trade, and they will get liquidated in their trades. But if you're new to crypto, you shouldn't be margin trading or crypto trading. You should be doing that in the first place. You should just be buying your positions and then waiting for the run. That's kind of what you should be doing to get your feet wet. So this is a scenario for tomorrow. And plus we're at the bottom of the RSI, which means that we were under purchased, which is good. This is what you want. You want to be down here in the start of inauguration day. And it slowly built its way up to where it's at right there. Same thing back in 2021. Right? We go back to 2021 here. Where is 21? That was the halving. 21 was right here. Sorry, I'm making you guys all sick going through this, but then you can see right here that we actually had a nice little dip right down here. Again, I said it was roughly about a 31% dip. We worked our way down, but at the bottom of this, we were actually at the bottom of we were under purchase. That's really, really good. But we actually went sideways, and then we worked our way up. If you go to today is a really weird, that's why I said today is completely different than it ever was before. I was hoping that we were going to have bigger dips in the market before today. And this is the reason why I was hoping that we'd have a bigger sell-off in the market, because tomorrow could pose, because we're at the very top of the RSI, means that the whole market's overbought at this moment, right? The whole market's overbought. We're on our way down on the day chart. We're on our way down on the 12-hour chart, right? And so when you look at this, this is kind of like the, oh crap, dude, this is completely different. We're actually built up into inauguration day, and we're over purchased. So indicators are saying that, again, even with inauguration day coming in, indicators are telling us that there could be potential shorts. I haven't even looked at the shorts. Let's look at CoinGlass. I haven't even looked at shorts yet. Let's take a look at CoinGlass. Yeah, dude, we got a lot of longs. Holy shit, dude. There's a lot of longs in the market right now. That's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. Let's go to Bitcoin. Yeah, there's a lot more longs than shorts. That's positive. I'll give them that. A lot more longs, but again, it only takes one liquidation event to get out to make these longs lose their positions, right? This is actually, there's more longs out here, but this just takes a sell-off in the market for these people to get their positions liquidated. So this means that they in 24 hours, that's literally 200% more longs than shorts. That's kind of scary. And the reason why that's scary is because that means that there's a lot of leverage out there for long positions in the next 24 hours, which means that a small sell-off event could cause major liquidation in the market, because people are going to get their positions liquidated on longs. So although it looks good, just realize that a little bit of a small sell-off can cause there to be a major catalyst downward in the market if people start to liquidate positions, because people's long positions are going to get liquidated. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting tomorrow, dude. I don't know. Next 24 hours is gonna be wild. I'm here for it, though. I'll tell you that right now. I'm here for it, though, dude. Luca, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, and welcome. Olga Jenkins, dude, the Melania website has a vesting schedule. Yeah, they all do. Even Trump has a vesting schedule. So yeah, something to be aware of, right? They're going to be releasing tokens here in 3 months, I think is what it is. So you got to be careful. Sam Tran, thanks so much, man. Thanks for the stream, Austin, your mods. Yeah, I'll be back on here tomorrow, guys. Just let everyone know I'll be back on here tomorrow, 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I'll pretty much be on all day streaming the inauguration and everything like that. So hopefully you guys swing by. Beta Panama, dude, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, and welcome, my friend. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, we do love some HBAR and XRP. I agree. I just joined the free Discord, but not the memberships. Yeah, I don't have a free Discord, dude. Does Austin have a different color shirt other than black? I do not. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I do, Nicholas. I just don't wear it. I just wear black. Everything I wear is black. I did post a video where I'm wearing a gray shirt. Got to be the funniest meme going. We just need, oh my gosh, dude. If you want your crypto bags to go up, actually, it's better to have more shorts, because the market makers are more likely to sell. Yeah, Sunshine. That's kind of what I was saying, is that when you have more shorts a little bit, but right now, this is a complete flip. Like, I mean, this is actually better on the 1 hour, 82 to 60, but we're talking 53 shorts to 100. I mean, all it takes is one little sell-off event, and those longs get wrecked. Marco, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. We need an ASMR video on cheese fries. Oh my gosh. I was talking to London and it seemed crazy high. Yeah, I was watching the long spot. Yeah, it is crazy high. Austin has one royal blue shirt. That is true. My Nike. I'll wear. Do you guys want me to wear a different shirt tomorrow? I can wear a different shirt tomorrow. I'll just wear a different. I'll just wear like a red shirt tomorrow. Okay. Actually, I don't know if I have a red shirt. Internet keeps dropping out. How is AI going to take over Wi-Fi? Dude, I mean, Helium Mobile, dude. Helium Mobile. Before you can Trump do a rug pull and walk away with out of scratch? That would be tough, dude. Probably. He probably could. What are people gonna say to him? What are they gonna say to him? I don't know why you would do it, but what would they say? Negative 25 degrees on Tuesday? Oh my gosh. CoinGlass. Just go to CoinGlass right here. I'll put it in the chat. Here, you can just click on that. Go in the chat there and save that. What was that? Was a bad read from Austin. What? Let your shirt match your market sentiment. Okay, it'll be green. I don't even have a green shirt though. Rally shirt. I'll wear the rally shirt with the Trump hat too. Okay, I'll wear the rally shirt with the Trump hat. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. But no, I appreciate everyone being here. I'm gonna hop off and get ready for the night. I gotta go eat some food. I haven't eaten, so I'm gonna go eat and then gonna be up here tomorrow morning, bright and early. So 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I hope to see you guys all there. I appreciate you guys being here tonight and kicking it with me. And thank you for all the love and support and all the donations and breaking the 80,000 subscribers. I appreciate the hell out of that. Famous Dad, thank you so much for now joining the A team. You are now officially part of the A team. Welcome, my friend. Yeah, definitely go. And anyone that's been a new membership, please go join the Discord if you can. We all go over there and hang out after these streams and talk about everything over there as well. A really good group of people, and yeah, loving it over there as well. So with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic night, fantastic morning wherever you're from, and we'll be back here tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I hope to see you guys all there. Make sure you guys throw some dudes up in the chat for me. This is a night stream, so throw those dudes up in the chat. And with all that, love you guys. We're out. Peace out, everyone.